Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another live stream. Wow, it's been a big one. Wow, it's interesting. Now I'm gonna tell you guys exactly my opinion and everything in just a second, but wow, just quickly wanna tell you guys what a day it has been, huh? Have you guys been watching this unfold? It is insane. It is insane. The amount of FUD, the amount of uncertainty, the amount of doubt. It's staggering. It is something of a different world. But I'm still extremely freaking excited. I don't care what happens. Let me quickly say that straight off the bat. I don't care what happens in the short term. I am not selling my crypto. Just quickly letting you guys know. I'm gonna quickly share the stream over on Discord if I can. My mouse is stuck. Let me quickly see. Oh, yeah, the amount of fear I've been getting and the amount of people saying, Dusty, you've led people into the doom by talking about XRP. I keep telling them, like, why? Why? You afraid? I think a lot of people are afraid that crypto is going to zero right now. That type of stuff. Man, if only you understood. Let me quickly share the stream and we can get on with everything. How you guys doing right now? How you guys doing? Let me quickly know in the chat box how you guys are doing. I'm trying to quickly share the stream. Oh, is the thumbnail correct, guys? What is the thumbnail here? Let me see if it's correct. I think so, okay. Let me quickly try to share it over on Discord. The Discord. There, okay. And over on Twitter. Yeah, XRP Sweden comes in with the 20 Swedish krona and says, after the dump, the pump comes. Love this stuff. To be honest, I'm pretty excited, and I'll tell you guys exactly why in just a second. I'm just quickly sharing it here, and then we can get going. Okay, so let me also type in buy BT. There we go. We got to get this data in there as well, so I got to have it. Because things are about to get really freaking interesting. Oh, my days. I want to also have this one in here. What a journey, guys. What a journey. You know how many people are afraid? I think the majority of people right now are just too afraid to actually do anything. All right, let me put everything in the right position. Because again, you haven't seen my setup here, but my setup here is scary. It's like I have a really long table, and I put that one a little bit in front of the television, but like a meter apart, and then 2 meters on the side is my monitor, my MacBook. It's something you wouldn't ever want anybody to have because it sucks, but it's the way it goes, you know, because in the hotel here, it's not optimal, but all right. I'm just quickly sharing it over on Discord on my phone. Come watch live, and then we can get going. Let's quickly ask where you guys are watching from right now. I'm once more making this from the hotel room in Dubai. Phew, it's been hot today, man. It's been 40 in the car. The thermometer thingy says 46 degrees, but I think it's like maybe 40 just in general. But it's really freaking hot, man. Okay, I shared it over on Twitter and Discord. Put the phone down. Let's get crack-a-lackin', boys. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Yes, because it's been insane, man. So to start off here, what basically happened, I've discussed in my previous video, right? But I kind of missed a couple of parts. It's been China. And you know what I think, guys? I think China is a small part for this, and the bigger part is the US. Why? Well, hear me out. So what happened is throughout these last couple of years, China has on multiple occasions said, hey, we don't like crypto because, not directly, but they've kind of made it clear that it's a threat to their digital yuan, or just the yuan in general. So, of course, they've been trying to ban more and more and more parts of it. And right now, another kind of hit came where not only can you not buy and sell things with crypto, you can now also, as a payment institution or financial institution, not really have your business anymore, not do it properly. There were a couple of articles kind of disputing it, a couple of articles going over everything in a positive way, saying, hey, China is actually embracing crypto, but they want to make it so people, can't get hurt from it, basically. There's multiple ways to see it. I'm going to say, hey, we are also in the West, so we're going to definitely get different news than what people are getting over in China and maybe, countries close to it. What I do think, though, is that people, and with people, I mean some specific individuals or individual groups, decided to capitalize on this opportunity. This news from China came out yesterday. And it is only since about 2 hours ago that it started to go really, really heavy. Because, I mean, this article came out 2 hours ago. This came 2 hours. it's not new news. It's not like it really just came out just now. You can see here, 4 hours, 10 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 1 hour. It's because what happened was this news came out. People got scared, right? Because, well, if China says something really crazy, then, people usually react to it. We saw it when, for example, in China, those things, let me, I'm going to type it in for you guys. Give me a second here. We saw it, for example, when China had that little issue last time with their mining equipment, with the electricity. But we also saw it last time that China gave some regulations. I'm going to look up these dates here. So China regulations, crypto dates. I'm typing it on the side here so I can maybe see all the dates or something like that. Because there was one date a couple of weeks ago when China banned just cryptocurrency uses. Oh, here we go. Calls Bitcoin making, let's see. I think we have one article here. It says, after a Bitcoin crackdown, China now calls it an investment alternative in a significant shift in tone. This was from April 19th. And I don't think that's the update we are looking for, because that's not the most interesting one. I'm just quickly checking through here to see, on a side note, right? On my little small screen, I'm looking if there's any one date specifically for when China let go of their most recent announcement saying they're basically going to ban. Okay, you know what? I'm typing in China ban crypto. Let's see, 2020. Let's type in 2020. I think it was 2021 though. Okay, 2021. All the articles from 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago. Yeah, it's getting crazy. Yeah, and that's actually whatever. Let's skip it. I can't find the article. That's actually the point I want to come down to. It is really usually a move. And that basically means right now things are going down quite drastically because people are afraid. And it's logically so because once more, China came out first time with crypto regulations 2017, getting the entire crypto market down. Then a little bit later, they came out with some, I guess, how you call it, like a ban, basically. Not just a normal regulation, but like more so a ban. You could call it regulation because it officially is, but I would say it's just a negative thing. Just kind of you don't want to regulate it properly, you're just going to ignore it, banning it. And every time that happened, we saw a huge dip in Bitcoin, only to recover quite quickly from it once more. And what I think there is kind of like I'm thinking right now, I think what's happening is there's a couple of people who know that China banning something or doing something with it doesn't actually matter too much. Because in the end, it's not like really much has changed. You couldn't do this stuff which they're banning right now anyway, most likely. And in the end, we all knew this was coming, all that type of stuff. It's a temporary type of thing. It's the same thing with the Ripple lawsuit. It's like, well, you knew they were going to either get sued at one point or another, or that there was a lingering threat for an SEC, altercation, basically, at one point or another. So them getting sued is not that strange, not that big of a surprise. So the price shouldn't actually fall that much since, well, it was basically already expected. And that's also why the price rebounded, rather quickly. Not to these same levels that quickly, but it basically caught a dip and then came back up quite significantly. I think the same thing is kind of to be said with Bitcoin and really anything in here right now. It's just a good opportunity, in my opinion, to buy some more. Is it a guarantee? Obviously not, but it's a good opportunity to buy some more because usually when stuff like this happens, there's some bigger guys here over in the West. I'm talking some, maybe either billionaires or some guys in the crypto space who capitalize on this and actually decide to dump when news like this comes out. What you noticed is that yesterday night when we were making the update, crypto fell down a little bit. We saw Bitcoin bounce quite significantly, and then it started to look like it kind of bottomed out, right? We saw a bottom, came back up, went sideways for a little while. You know what you notice is that, hey, we fell down lower here. Okay, we fell. Okay, so let's consider this to be the China news, right? Because maybe that was no, it was earlier. I think the news was already known a little bit earlier than that, but whatever. Let's say this was the China news. We dipped down once, came back up, and dipped down for a second time right now further. Why? I'm assuming because at one point or another here, it was kind of a fake out here, and here is when the bigger institutions decided to, hey, let's push it down. Let's push this news out. Let's get this going. Because think about it. If all this news came out 24 hours ago, 20 hours ago, let's say 20 hours ago, then why is all of a sudden such a huge increase in price for a couple of hours still possible? It is because this is actually the real impact of everything. This is the second wave where most likely a lot of new articles were built. 2 hours ago, exactly 2 hours ago, is when the majority of negative news articles was written. 2 hours ago, exactly 2 hours ago from now. And, that's kind of interesting if you start to think about it. So here in this candle is when a lot of news articles came out kind of bashing Bitcoin, saying, hey, it's scary because China is cracking it down. That is exactly within this candle right here. Don't you think it's also kind of coincidental that a lot of the articles came out right here, and all of a sudden, boom, a lot of articles come out at exactly the same time, pushing the price down lower? I think a good part of that is just some either strategy or it is part of the bigger plan. Because think about it. Here, a lot of people are capitalizing off of it. A lot of longs got liquidated right here. People are making a ton of freaking money. That's usually how it goes, right? Right now, we got about $4 billion worth of liquidations, but about 1.6 billion, 1.7 billion in just 1 hour. This is almost a record, at least that I've seen, for 1 hour. It's 500,000 people that got their position liquidated. Now, if you're wondering how those liquidations work, it's basically over on Bybit. That's the one I'm using. If you're going long or short, whatever, you are buying something with leverage, right? So if, for example, you open a long position right here and you don't sell it, you don't get out of it right here, it falls down lower, 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 lower. And since you're leveraging something, it could be that at one point or another, basically the amount of loss you have actually is bigger than the amount of money you put in. Period being, or the conclusion being, you lose all your money, right? You just basically get out of it. With just buying crypto, you can never get out of it because, well, you bought it. With leveraging, you're basically kind of betting, basically. All right, is the simplest way to say it. And that's kind of what happened here to a lot of people, specifically the last couple of hours, because, well, things are really hitting the fan all of a sudden. And I'm personally thinking, well, since again, 2 hours ago is when a lot of these news articles came out. Right now it is about, let's see, 4. I can't see the time. I think it's like 4:30 maybe right now. Maybe it's, let me see here. Let me quickly see. It is 2 minutes to 4:20. Maybe we should just, no, I'm in the UAE. Let's definitely not think about that. So it's about 4:20 right now. Exactly 2 hours to 2:20 is when the most of the news came out. So between these two candles is when all those news articles start to all of a sudden push it out. Right? That's interesting. That is peculiar. And maybe, by the way, think about it. Maybe it was actually built a couple of, like, it could be that these articles actually were written like 16 hours ago and stuff like that. But I got one of the, I think it's the routers. No, it's the, whatever. I got one, I have, on my phone, you have notifications, right, for different news outlets, basically. And since I do crypto stuff, I like to have as many notifications on as I can. So I have notifications, and I think maybe 1.5, maybe 1 hour, 45 minutes ago from right now, maybe something like that, I got a couple notifications after each other about this crypto stuff. So I think actually that these articles were already made like maybe 12 hours ago or so, because again, this one we actually read, and it's not from 2 hours ago. This one I have no idea, but I'm guessing since this one, I think this one came out a little bit later. It's funny that there's two on routers about the same kind of topic. But yeah, point being, I got the notification, and I think that's, again, what kind of sparked up something. However, why is that the case, though? I don't know, to be honest with you. I don't know why that would ever be the case. Why? Good question. Hey, guys, if you're watching right now, we have almost 1,500 people and only 100 likes. If you want to help out the channel real quick, make sure you just quickly press that like button. We can instantly get to 500. It doesn't cost you anything, doesn't give me anything. It just helps this video perform just a little bit better, and it shows it to more people, and you get my token of appreciation by, whenever I see you, I will get you a cookie. I've told people this a couple times already. I appreciate every single one of you who presses that like button because you're directly just helping the video and helping the channel out. We're all one family. If there's ever anything, try to let me know. I try to reply to anybody. And we're going to get this all sorted together. But yeah, that's my little story about this specific part of things. I just think a lot of this is manipulation. The fear index, for example, is already showing huge amounts of fear. I already put it over on Twitter. I think we're actually at an all-time high of fear right now, specifically since we saw such a huge drop. Now, if you take a look at the trading setup and basically just anything, I have it open twice. I'll just close this one then. If you take a good look at this one and we put in an RSI, for example, let's put it one. Wait, let me quickly grab an RSI on Bitcoin. Give me a second. Is this indicator? I can't read. I have to press on the computer, but I can't see my screen. So I have to guess. I'm assuming it's this one right here. On some of the time frames here, Bitcoin RSI is so ridiculously low, meaning it is oversold right now. You really can't dispute that, though, because Bitcoin has been sold off like crazy. The dominance has fallen. Right now, the drop is kind of illogical. A drop, a little bit of a drop would be nice. I actually took one short trade a little bit earlier, about 7% profit. So you can see exactly my trading setup. This is the one I took. So basically, we broke out here. I told you guys yesterday about us holding this line. And if we did not do that, it was basically, if we don't do it, I'll wait for confirmation, which we got. And I decided to buy the next candle in. Again, this is basically a breakout. We got the confirmation that I bought in the next candle. And I decided to basically have my stop loss at 3.5%. Usually I would put it right around this area. But I was kind of here. I was variable with that. I just put it there for right now. I was like, I might put it later if higher if necessary. And I took a 7% profit. But among the middle, I took about 3.5. We hit the dip here, and I didn't actually sell it right there. I waited for it, and once it hit the second time, I was like, hey, that's again a double bottom that could be formed, so I'm selling half my position. Got out, and then I closed at my usual 7% a little bit later. That's my short that I did. Then again, I did not expect it to come this low because I thought that we'd bounce back from one of these points. I thought so. Why? Because the news had already come out. The news had come out. People were already, pretty scared of it and whatnot. So why would we go down further? And that was something which was really surprising to me, that we just kept falling lower and lower and lower and lower. And as of this point, I'm still going to say that is manipulated. That is a wave that people want to have. Because even though there's a lot of fear, it's not that bad. The whole China ordeal here, same thing as I said with Elon Musk and stuff, it is actually, the event itself, not that big a deal. And again, people saying, what happened? What happened? It's the China thing, man. Aeon says, Dusty, I made money setting an alarm trigger for a drop. I borrowed and used that to buy the fall. Yeah, that's what a lot of people are doing, most likely. Dusty, did you see that tweet from Crypto DC? I don't know who that is. Somebody says, I wish I had money to buy extra. Yeah, I think we all. By the way, don't think that, we just dipped right now. This is going to be the lowest. It doesn't necessarily work that way, right? We could always go lower. However, one of my stop losses for the long I have on XRP is 93 cents, 94 cents. So I'm still good. So as long as we don't go to 94 cents, which we didn't, I think. No, we went to $1. I can't see. It's too small. I think $1.11, right? We went to about $1.11. I'm still in my long position on XRP, and I'm not really that scared. Am I safe? Lee Yi says. I longed 10 times at 122. But that's a difficult question to ask. Are you safe? I personally think we're juicy. But what happened? Once more, China. And once more, I think it's actually not necessarily only China. It is basically people in the West or not Chinese areas making this news so exaggerated that it looks like China has a lot of control over it. Then again, I think a lot of people might also come back to the point of centralization, as if one country here, adjusting the rules just a teeny weeny bit, can only drop the price so significantly, that's also something to be afraid about. Elon Musk could do it, but also a country then. And since the majority of the mining is done in China, they have a huge amount of the Bitcoin, like they're just stored in there, but they also have a huge amount of control over the mining, basically. Yeah, it's becoming more and more of a threat. Together, of course, with the fact that Bitcoin is not that green, it's not looking too beautiful for Bitcoin specifically. I think Bitcoin will face a lot of criticism the next couple of weeks. But XRP, specifically here, still looking good for. What's happening right now? Well, we got the lawsuit coming up, let's see, 2 days from now. We got the lawsuit coming up. I'm pretty excited for that one. Not exactly sure they're going to win it, but it's just another day to look forward to as XRP community. And look at this, by the way. Look at altcoins. Look at how it bled. XRP on BTC, by the way, is still going on with the trend. I told you guys about that one before, right? Again, it's still going up in its upwards trend like that. Had a little bit of a retest. Okay, who cares about that? That's all fine. It's all part of the bigger plan. We're still going up. We're still going extremely, extremely strong. At least that's my opinion on the matter. You can see how it's looking, right? It's literally looking as an upwards trend. So what is my plan? Well, my plan right now is to buy the dip, and I utilize my strategy, which I've explained on Patreon, or in easiest words right now for anybody watching, it's just you DCA. You buy, and once it goes lower, you buy more. You can type in DCA calculator, DCA strategy, whatever you want, wherever you want, whatever. It doesn't matter that much. It's not that difficult. You just make sure that you buy every time you go lower. And as long, in this specific case here, as you are using this with cryptos that you know are going to be juicy or good, how should I rephrase it? Just that you know you could, no. If there were to be a bear market right now, right, hypothetically speaking, if you are buying coins that could survive that bear market and still do proper once it's over, then you know you're good. And I know I'm golden because I have XRP, for example. I think that one is going to stick throughout the whole journey. Bitcoin 2, Ethereum 2, I don't think they're going to go anywhere. So that's kind of my plan. Am I negative? Am I bearish? No, I'm not. I'm still extremely excited. However, you got to, of course, look at it where it is, right? You got to be realistic with yourself and look, hey, things are going down. I might have to readjust, right? I might have to do something else. And usually that, for me, doesn't include selling. I usually like to buy more than I do selling. But that's also because we're going down right now. And a lot of people ask me, Dusty, should I sell right now? Should I sell? Should I sell? And I tell them, well, why would you sell when things are going down? If you wanted to sell, you should have done it a couple of hours ago. Don't ask me now. Either do that once it's at the top and then, enjoy the way down, or you buy the bottom and basically wait for the continuous momentum. Right now, Bitcoin is in a downtrend a little bit. I mean, we have seen the lower lows being created consecutively. The close on the weekly here for Bitcoin above the 21 EMA was definitely beautiful. However, there's definitely some room for Bitcoin to go lower. Even now, there is room for it. Together with the fact that China has cracked it down a little bit, and the US right now, I think more and more threats are lingering that they're going to do something in regards to the non-green nature of Bitcoin. We should be careful. Definitely. Is this a long-term negative thing? No, definitely not either. Because long-term, this all does not matter for anything at all. It's only the short-term that people sometimes worry about this type of stuff. Like specifically right now, a lot of people are wondering, Dusty, is it going to go down? Blah, blah. I buy the dip. China is cracking down crypto, but who cares if China is doing that type of stuff? Think about it. Who really cares about all of that? I don't. Why would I? Why would I care about that? It's not really a big deal. China is doing that because they have their own digital currency that they want to promote as much as possible. So they're going to try crack it down as much as possible because, hey, that means more control for them. Crypto is the people's money is what people usually call it. China's digital currency is their money. It's still government money. So they don't want to involve themselves with things which could be, quote unquote, scary. That's their own phrasing. I would say they don't want to be involved with things which are liberating, something like that. I'm not trying to, be negative on China. I'm just saying, hey, we understand why China is doing that. If the U.S. were to do it too, there would be some really big trouble, though. If they were to go for some same type of regulation, that would be that would be extremely bad. But now, a little long story short, I'm just buying the dip as we go along here. I think most people are doing that. This kind of feels like a Black Friday sale. Quickly, guys, when is Black Friday? Let me quickly see what you guys are saying in the chat box. Hey, Good Karma coming in with the $2 says, cool. Cool. Yes, it's pretty cool. Let's quickly see. When is Black Friday? Let's quickly see what you guys are saying. When was Black Friday? Somebody says 99.5% of the crypto will go down with Bitcoin. XRP will arise from the ashes and survive. Huh. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure. I guess I agree with you. 99.5 or 99% of the crypto will go down with Bitcoin, and that will happen consecutively. Every time Bitcoin moves, that will happen, for a good little while. How come nobody knows here when freaking Black Friday is? You guys are saying when is Thanksgiving? I don't know, man. I'm not from America. I don't even speak proper English. Let's see. You guys are saying a day after Thanksgiving. When is Thanksgiving, though? I will type it in. You guys are... Never mind. Let's see here. When is Black Friday? It is November 26th. Let's type in 2020. It was November 27th. And then 2019, it was November 29th. Okay, so let's actually check those dates then specifically for BTC. Because I think one of those ones was funny. Let's just look at November of 2000 and whatever, those dates. Because I think it's pretty funny. I think back in those times as well, we had a lot of discounts. Let's see here. Okay, so this is too late. No, it's not at this time. It's 2019 already, I think. Must be. Holy smokes, everybody. It's crazy how much crypto has gone up in this meantime, huh? It's really mind-boggling stuff to me still. It's really crazy. Huh. I think it was right here during Thanksgiving that things just really... yeah, I think it was here this time around. So I'm not exactly sure what the price is saying right here. 9.6, 10,000, something like that. It fell really hard. And people all call this the Black Friday sale, I believe, because Bitcoin was really dipping right around that time, or just crypto in general. You know what the fun part is, guys? It's literally every single time that people think is over is when things start to do better. And you know how many times people thought, oh yeah, this little dump here, this is the end of everything. Well, if you kind of think about it, this little dump, for example, this little dump here, you might think, oh, this is so bad, this is so bad. Even if you, again, look at it from this perspective, look at it like this. This is basically how we saw it right now. We got an all-time high. We're kind of trending lower and lower, 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 lower. And then we got one big dump. And this dump is where we are right now, right? For example, this whole ordeal, let's actually get the bars pattern in there. I will try to copy it for you. Don't worry about it. I got you. Let's quickly copy it all the way to here. This is basically what we are witnessing right now, kind of akin to it. And that is actually, in that time, the start of something way, way, way bigger. It could kind of be that relatively, and again, I'm not using a keyboard right now, so this is really cumbersome. It could be that relatively, this is also what's happening right now, where you're basically just, can I scale it? You know what I mean? Where we are trending upwards, 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 and then all of a sudden one big boy dump, and people get really afraid, right? Again, it's relative. You guys get what I'm trying to say, though, right? It's basically looking like that, for example, just copying what we saw back then a little bit. It's just coming along with that idea that, oh, okay, things are doing proper. Oh, we're going down. Oh, that's really bad, really bad. And then boom, this dip, this lowest of the low is when things start to turn around. And people can't really comprehend that dips and huge sell-offs are necessary to trade higher and to, again, actually make more money. Usually, it's actually said, even in, what's that book again? The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, I believe. Benjamin Graham? Yeah, Benjamin Graham. What was said in there is that usually people think that the higher the price goes or the better the trend is looking, you know, the safer they are. But it's actually the opposite. And that's almost always the case anyway. It's I guess the trend, let's say that the trend should be generally bullish. It is the worse that the price is looking, the lower it has gone, the better it is. Right now, Bitcoin is in a huge oversold territory. Any person could guess that already. And logically speaking, buying it right now would be the best decision to go for. It is just really easy to kind of spot that buying here should be good. I mean, even statistically speaking, so many red candles in a row only happens every so often. You don't that often get so many days of lows in a row. It's usually a specific event, and that usually is still followed up by some big green candle afterwards to recoup at least some of the losses. So really, if we're looking at logic, we should just buy this dip and make money with that. But somebody said, Adrian says, do you consume vegetables all day? Watch stocks like me? Well, I guess not. Definitely not. Let's quickly see where you guys are watching from right now. Aeon says, the huge sell-offs, that money goes right back into crypto. Alts goes for the right back into crypto. Alts go for the best trending when they all fall. XRP is one of the best trending. Okay, friends, we good. Yeah, usually that's what happens. Jay says, anyone who was here yesterday, my exact words, I told everyone here it would drop down, and you all thought it was a bit. I mean, you had a 50-50 shot of being right? So that makes no sense. If you says you were right because it was going to drop, what are you basing it on? You have to either come up with a really big theory, or otherwise it makes not that much sense. If you say, oh, it's going to go down, anybody could say that. It should be backed by something, though, because you literally have a 50-50 shot of winning. So if you have two people say two different things, then one of them is always going to be right. So what is this? What we are doing right now, we are buying this dip right now. Why? Because once more, logically, it's been going down for so many days consecutively. Bitcoin is in huge oversold territory. And even look at this one right here specifically, right? Let's say you bought this dip. Would it have been bad? People might say, yeah, of course, because you bought the dip and a dip further. There's so many days here in the midst. This is 1 month further. And also the RSI was oversold right here. If you bought, you would have at least gotten quite a lot of gains actually in the midst here. Actually, RSI dips, you don't usually buy RSI dips because they're not really showing you the perfect picture. But in this specific case, if you buy RSI dips, look at that one. RSI dip right here, RSI dip right there, RSI dip right here, and RSI dip right now. Right now as we currently speak. Logically, these should make us a lot of money. And by the way, guys, if Bitcoin comes back up, altcoins will most likely skyrocket by 40-50%. I've told you guys quite often that whenever this Bitcoin's crash stuff happens, usually altcoins retaliate with some huge gains in a really short amount of time. Be prepared for that, and be prepared to miss out as well if it doesn't. If it happens, if you don't, participate. Am I going to tell you guys to all buy crypto right now? Of course not, because well, can we dip further? Obviously, anybody can know that we can dip further because we don't know how people are going to take this news. I would take this China news as, okay, so who cares about this? But people are already fearful right now. Fear, let me look it up for you guys here. Fear and greed index is at I think tomorrow is going to be, I almost fell on my chair. I think the index is going to be at an all-time low tomorrow. Right now, it's I think still 23 because it hasn't updated. Yesterday was 21. But I think today is going to be, maybe like 17 or something like that, something stupid. I think, because people are extremely fearful right now, and for good reason, because people are making them scared. But why are they making them scared? Well, the only logical reason I can kind of think of is because they want Bitcoin to sell off. Michael Saylor, for example, is buying Bitcoin like crazy. Elon Musk was pushing it down like crazy. So many different guys are pushing it down like crazy. But then again, think about this one too. Mark Zuckerberg, just last week, posted about Bitcoin. Why? Why? What is he doing? What is going on? There's so much going on in the background here. Crypto cannot go away anymore. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of timing and knowing what you hold. But as long as you got some cryptos which you know are going to be good for the longer term, like in times like these, it's just scarier to hold things like Shiba, for example. Those coins are a little bit scarier right now because if Bitcoin sells off, usually those coins are the first ones being sold. But yeah, we're basically still excited about it. What else can I say? We're still excited about it. Let's go back to the 1 hour because the 1 minute is exciting to watch, but it gives you the wrong picture. What is happening right now is we're going down like crazy, but logically we should buy it and I guess just enjoy this dip, man. So many people. Let's do two things, man. So let's first say Adrian says buy the effing dip. I want you all to be rich is what Adrian says with the $2 donation. Thank you very much. Fucko says for sakes look at news that came out an hour ago. Let's see what came out, guys. What came out? What news came out just now? Show me, right? What came out? What's new? I saw China, and I kept telling you guys, I don't think that's really a big deal at all. And Aeon says there's usually 2 to 3 drops on big downtrends. I'm not exactly sure what you mean with that in downtrend specifically because we're in an uptrend. But I would say it's a sale. You know how many people came up to me saying, Dusty, are we going to dip back to this price? Are we going to dip back? And I said, well, I don't know, man. Well, let's see. If we go there, I'll buy. And right now, there, the guys are saying, oh, no, crypto is fallen. Crypto's never going to go back up. It's over. It's over. XRP is going to zero. All that type of stuff. China has done all of this before. China keeps going back and forward on their opinion. This doesn't make a lot of sense. I buy the dip because I keep thinking it doesn't make any logical sense here to sell it off because of what China's been doing. I just can't comprehend why people right now are so scared. It's because other people are scared and because these dog type of cryptos, I think, are taking over significantly. So I quickly put up here the, I'm looking at Crypto Panic right now on the side because that shows all the different articles. Let me actually duplicate it so you guys can also check with me as I go through. Because we got institutions maybe dropping Bitcoin for gold as BTC slips below $40,000 by JP Morgan. Maybe dropping Bitcoin for gold, huh? Okay. You can see people are not really liking that. A lot of downvotes. Bitcoin's roller coaster ride leaves market players unfazed as upside beckons. Okay. Cardano launching crypto converter for Ethereum-based assets. That's not that interesting. More than half of Australians think Elon Musk invented Bitcoin. So, that is interesting. Uh-oh, yes, here we go again. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You see this one right here? Let me see. It's the one below the Australian. It's the India one. Look at this. So let me quickly type it here in as well. What it says, Indian government reportedly considering crypto regulations instead of a big ban. You know, that's actually a positive thing. You know, that's actually so. India could be having a change of heart moment on the crypto industry as a new report suggests regulations instead of a ban. You know what's funny? Vitalik, like the guy says, one says, yeah, after $1 billion donation, Vitalik actually sent India $1 billion worth of Shiba as a gift, basically. Now, it does make you wonder again. If these guys were to ban it outright, then boom, the $1 billion is gone. I would also think these guys are, of course, walking where the grass is the greenest, but in this specific case here, they also know as well, it's such a huge opportunity, and why ban it if you could just try to work with or work around it? Why would you? And I've thought about this for so long, I just cannot find a good reason why you would outright ban it, unless you are afraid that your own theory is not going to work properly anymore. My bank account is really, you don't want to see my bank account right now, because I am buying like crazy. You know what's also funny, guys? XRP isn't listed on a lot of exchanges, man. I keep actually reminding myself that it's not. Okay, let's quickly show this article here. Let's see what's going on. Indian government reportedly considering crypto regulations instead of a ban. India could be having a change of heart moment on the crypto industry as new reports suggest regulations instead of a ban. After actively discussing placing an all-out ban on the crypto industry, the Indian government is now reportedly reconsidering a change in tactics. More recent reports claim that the nation has formed a new panel of experts to implement more precise regulations on cryptocurrency trading. Okay. And China, we've already read most of that type of stuff. Let me quickly see here if I can actually find the 20... because there was another piece of news on China last month, I think. Let's do China April. Let's do China ban crypto April. Let me see if I can find it real quick. I don't think so, though, because the news of the last couple of hours is overshadowing. But then again, mind you very much so. Look at this. Let me show you guys exactly what's going on here. Are you seeing this right here? This is the exact FUD I just told you guys about. Even though the news is not that heavy, not that big, not that interesting, look how many articles are being written about it after each other, and specifically on Reuters. This is article freaking number 5 or so, and that's again why people keep getting scared. There's no way that you didn't get this, oh, Bitcoin is falling because of China's new crypto ban. There's no way you didn't get this one inside your face. Just put on your face like that. You will have to have seen a headline like this: China banned crypto. China banning crypto. It's not something that new. It's not something that crazy. They didn't actually do too much. It's just people being fearful right now, taking any piece of the China ban it. Okay, sell. That's what they're doing right now. They're freaking baboons right now. Some people, you know. If you're selling to buy back cheaper, okay, that's all good. A lot of people are getting afraid of this type of regulation. China, it doesn't matter for how many times do I have to say it? SK also says China regulation comes out every year, huh? It's the truth. It is the truth. China regulation is coming every single time. So once more, logically, things should recover really soon. But it's just, guys, the reason we can't say it is because we don't know why people are selling this much right now. People are selling most likely on top of other people selling, on top of other people selling, because they are afraid. And somebody says, Nubiki says, Dusty, you are a fool. You know, let it be. I will take it. I'll accept it. But I think I'm speaking the truth right here when I'm saying that it does not matter what China says about these crypto. They're working on a digital currency themselves. They are working on the digital yuan. Is it a crypto? No. Is it going to be juicy for us? Definitely not. Do they know that this technology is something really powerful though? Yes. That's the reason they're trying to regulate it. By the way, we have 589 viewers. That's pretty funny. Somebody says, you are a loser. Alts are zero. Come on. Hit me with more. Guys, come on, more hatred. It's no problem. I will sit here, take it all in. No worries at all, because I know what we're hodling. You can keep shouting. You know, shoot the messengers. No problem at all. Just telling you, I think what China's doing right here doesn't make any freaking... I mean, I guess what they're doing makes sense, but the reaction that people are having to it doesn't make any sense. Altcoins, of course, are breathing more than Bitcoin is, logically, and that will keep on going for a little while. I don't think that's really a strange thing. But then, mind you as well, what's happening with freaking coin market cap? What is this manipulation on that side as well? There's two things. One, they're not showing Korean exchanges, which is already a negative thing. I would say it's strange. And two, they still haven't fixed the XRP market cap on there. Why? I don't know. I really don't know. It's still 35 billion. I don't know why. They have literally looked at it and are like, you know what? We don't want to fix it. Why? I don't know. And again, guys, kind of my story again. Am I fearful? What depends on what you call, what fear you're talking about. Am I fearful that people will do irrational things? Obviously. Because people do the craziest stuff right now, and it's not safe. It's not safe right now. Am I fearful of what just happened? Like, should the price have dropped this much? I would say no. And I would say I will definitely keep buying the dip. Every time it goes lower, I will keep buying. Because the only thing that can wreck us is if we get a complete crypto meltdown going back to zero. You know, that type of stuff. Because right now, the way it's going, we can only have so many red candles in a row. We can only go, I have to get this one back there. We can only go so far without people just realizing the logic and knowing that there's going to be, people just picking it back up. Right now, we're still falling. Is it strange? It's not. It's not strange at all. It's not strange. People are fearful, and more FUD articles with exactly the title as I just described is coming out. Literally 15 minutes, we got more articles with just China banning crypto. So more and more people are getting fearful right now. At one point or other, though, people will realize, China's banning crypto, but they've actually announced this in the last 3 years, like 5 times already. Ooh, is this actually anything new? No, it isn't. It's just that they're trying to manipulate the price. I think, honestly, guys, that it was not fear at the start. It was just there was already a lot of fear from the get-go. And these articles pushed it down a little bit. That's what we saw a couple of hours ago. That's when I tweeted about it. And then once that started to go down, some bigger institutions or bigger guys thought, you know what, this is our time to shine. This is when we can crack the freaking F out of Bitcoin and make a lot of people regret their life decisions. I'm laughing, but it's not a funny matter. I think that really happened. And that after a little while, it was kind of a roller coaster because, people started to make articles of Bitcoin going down below 45,000, then 43,000, then now 40,000. People saying Bitcoin hit 37 on some exchanges. Now, a lot of articles are being written right now, and people are excited about it. Because think about it, guys. This stuff came out 20 hours ago. Why would prices still go down like this right now? It's not because they're really fearful. It's because they're being made fearful. Not because of this news, unless you're talking about them finding this news a little bit later, when others have already found and already adjusted. Think about, if Tesla, let's do a little bit of a thing. If Michael Saylor and Tesla, for example, did not sell their Bitcoin, we're still good. Why? Because if those big guys with billions of dollars that know the world, know how it works, if they're not afraid, we're still good. If VeChain, if all those freaking cryptos out of the China did not just give us a real exit paragraph saying, hey, we like doing business with you, but we're too afraid of all this. If they're not out of it all the way, if they're not gone, we are still good. Until that moment happens, guys, I'm going to be freaking here, buying the dip, getting rich off of crypto. As you guys already know, it's a mind game. They're going to try catch you off guard. They're going to try test your little paper hands. I'm not budging for it. I don't give a crap. I don't have paper hands. I have a watermelon drink. That's what I have right now. And diamonds. Yeah, I got a little watermelon juice. Told you guys, man, it's a juicy day. Hey, if you're watching right now, there's almost 2,700 people watching. Can you make sure you press that like button to help out the channel a little bit? I want to get to 1,000 likes this stream. Would be really cool if we could. And by you pressing the like button, we're almost instantly going to be there. I think if you press it right now watching, we are instantly at 1,000 likes. So make sure you press that button. And we're also almost at 117,000 people strong, this whole community, right? We're one family, as I've told you guys before. We all make money at the same time. We're all in this together. People saying lost over 50% of my money. How? How can you lose so much? I don't know, man. I don't know how people lose money in this type of stuff. If you're thinking of, oh, I lost money, that we're not on the same type of mindset. You know why I haven't checked my portfolio? Because I don't care what's happening right now. This is all in the middle of things. I check, okay, at what point can I buy and how can I utilize this dip to my advantage to make more money along the longer term? If your mindset is, okay, I want to make money in the next 3 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, then stay fiat and use your fiat to trade with. For example, USDT. Don't go into crypto if you have a really big goal for 1 to 2 weeks. You're playing with fire then. We have a longer term goal. We know we can get there. It's just a waiting game. We don't know exactly the path. We don't know exactly what the path is going to be looking like. There's going to be hiccups. And this is one hiccup that's actually, made. It's like a guy with a machine just punching you in the freaking gut to give you a hiccup. That's basically what this is, right? This is not a natural hiccup. This is one made, man-made even. It's fear on top of fear on top of fear. It's not normal. This is not normal. People shouldn't go this crazy because of a China sell. And if they are, it will recover quite quickly. My assumption. If it does not recover, you guys already know that people are making a lot of money on your ass right now. They don't want you to win. They want the price to go down to buy more. A lot of these guys are. There's some bigger institutions betting every single second that the price is going down to make more money on you. It could also, for example, be that Ethereum was getting too close to $5,000, and if that were to get to $5,000 in the next couple of weeks, people might have lost too much money, and so they had to just crack down crypto altogether. We're talking, billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars, right? There's so many different so many different theories that can float out there. None of them are necessarily correct. All we know is that this is a game, and I'm not the conspiracy type of guy. Please don't think I am, all right? But in this case here, you can't deny it. You can't deny that right now, it isn't looking too fearful, but the price just tanks. Look at altcoins right now. Altcoins are even going worse than Bitcoin is as of this point. Let me quickly turn over my what is it called? The things in front of your window to give you shade. I don't know the word in English. Gordijnen in Dutch. I don't know the freaking word, man. Curtains, there we go. I'm gonna put open the curtains here. And hey, the whole Indian buses here are going. So if I look out of my hotel room, there's 40 Indian buses of people or workers just getting back into the bus. And I have a nice little view. I need some light, I needed some light, needed some fresh, I guess not air, but some fresh light to watch all of this because my eyes are burning from seeing all this red. I need some light to balance it out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? All this, let's see who's hating right now in the comment section. Let's see a little bit. Bitcoin dipped to 29,000. Where? Right now we are at 35 point something. Maybe I should actually put in a minute chart, for example, just see what type of shenanigans is going on right here specifically. Let's look. Maybe we should. Look at that, guys. Whew. It's going. No, I find this really funny. Yes, I'm not going to lie with you. I find this extremely and exciting, good times, because I'm not that afraid. Somebody said, okay, let's look. If you're watching this chat right now, take some screenshots of some of these people. The Games Cat says, we're doomed. And Joy says, crypto is a scam. Alex says, laat je niet gek maken, don't get crazy over this. And Joy says, sell. Let's see, just go through those comments and screenshot some of them, think about some of them. It's funny, because at one point or another, you'll see, all these guys will change their minds again when crypto is going up. And man, I'm not that afraid or that scared if you're saying crypto's going down. I mean, you say you, right? You do you. I'm all for it. Let's quickly do a little bit of a poll. Who is still hodling at least some crypto? Let's quickly check in the chat box right now. Who is at least holding some? It doesn't matter if you bought the dip, but who is holding any crypto? If you're saying you are, you can't say you're extremely bearish. If you're saying, oh, crypto's going to zero and you're holding crypto, you're crazy. You're cuckoo. Let's put in an RSI on this one actually as well. It's a minute chart. It's not going to help. Look at altcoins, just made a huge little big boy dip right there. I'm watching this with I don't know how you can say, how you can express it. My money is down so much, and still I'm excited. Still I'm happy to watch this. How could that be? It's because I know this has happened so many times before. You think this is the first time I'm burning my ass? Of course not. Of course not. It's all part of the bigger plan. That's what I keep telling people. You know what, guys? If you're still excited about crypto, make sure you press the freaking subscribe button to this channel right now. If you all press it, I think we can instantly get to 117,000. And we can also get to 1,000 likes. But make sure you press that little subscribe button right now. Let's quickly see how many people are not subscribed just quite yet. And you can see the chat box right now. You can see how many people are hodling. You're not the only one. We're doing an average strategy. We're just buying our way down. That's, again, you don't put all your eggs into one basket. You don't put 100% of your fiat into crypto right now because, I mean, what if we dip further, right? What if we go further? Okay. Well, we put some in and we wait for it to go down lower. We put some extra in, we put some extra in, we put some extra in. We could look at the bigger picture, I guess, for Bitcoin to see what's the most important levels. But I think logically, you guys can already assume here that things are just at one of the most interesting points ever. Because, well, we're in a huge bull run. We're at unprecedented highs for almost any crypto. And all of a sudden, some strange China stuff is being put into the air. Specifically as well, when XRP was finally doing good. XRP was finally picking back up the pace again yesterday, and all of a sudden, boom, we get a crackdown on China's BTC. And once more, guys, the real crackdown itself from China isn't actually the big news. Because why would it be? I'm going to type it in on my phone here, guys. If you have any dates, let me know. Let me see here. China. You know what? Whatever. I'll type it in on my phone. I want to watch this now. When was the last time in China? Okay, for you guys watching, Aeon, can you quickly check for me? When was the last time that China issued some crypto regulations? Because I'm sure they let go of some regulation last month, and people were on the exact same page. China regulation crypto list. Let me see here what type of regulations they put in. Explainer. Okay, now I've only gotten explainers like 1 hour ago, 3 hours ago. Okay, here we got one on Wikipedia about China. Let me type that in. Let me see. Okay, so it's per Western Africa, Southeast Africa. Okay, this is annoying. Caribbean, Asia. Here we go. Okay, Central Asia, Eurasia, West Asia. No, that's all these other countries. South Asia. There it should be. No, where's South? Where the frick is China? Under which category? Okay, Southeast Asia. Oh, East Asia. Okay, there we go. Okay, so China, as it currently stands, I'll get you guys. All right, I got you. I will pop this open on Wikipedia. Let me see here. China, Bitcoin, Wikipedia, crypto, whatever. Let me type it in. Give me a second here. What did I type in just now? I'll just copy the link. Give me 1 second. I'm going to try find this for you guys. We can see the status of here we go. All right. So here's the status of China. Oh, let's just do Control F, Command F. Somebody says bye. There was a Woodland Fuel says bye. Hodl XRP, I think, right? Let me confirm. Bye. Hodl XRP, and then strong. I don't want to say his amount because I'm afraid. Guys, please don't ever put your amount of crypto in the comment section. I didn't type in China properly. China. Again, I'm old, you know, so I can't write that anymore. Okay, there we go. So, I'll zoom in. I got you, boys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. I got you. So this is the status of China, and here's some of the regulations which have been put up until I think summer 2018. Financial institutions are not allowed to facilitate Bitcoin transactions. Regulations. That was okay. Let's see. Footnote 13. This is from Wikipedia. Legality of Bitcoin country. Oh, that's the same article. Let's see. Okay, let's go. I think actually the footnote will just bring me down, right, to the bottom section. Okay, so this is from June 2018. Regulation of Crypto, Library of Congress, the Law Library of Congress, Global Legal Research Center, June 2018, whatever. It's just it doesn't matter too much. It's just basically that point is from somewhere earlier in 2018 that China has actually banned financial institutions to not facilitate Bitcoin transactions. So what has happened just now? Let's quickly see. Where do we have the China news? Not even sure anymore when I have it open. What happened now was institutions were not allowed anymore. Let's quickly read. China bans financial institutions, payment institutions from cryptocurrency business. What is the difference here? What is the difference in the last couple of years? What happened? I mean, what is you guys know what I'm trying to say? Like what? Okay. On December 5th, oh wait, Liquidations prohibits financial firms from holding or trading cryptocurrencies too. On December 5th, 2013, the PBOC made its first step in regulating Bitcoin by prohibiting financial institutions from handling Bitcoin transactions. We're talking 8 years ago. They already were banning it. On April 1st, 2014, the PBOC ordered commercial banks and payment companies to close Bitcoin trading accounts in 2 weeks. You know what? Let's look here. December 5th, 2013. Let's actually take a look if Bitcoin plunged that specific day. I want to see now. I want to see for myself. Was it, I think, the 5th of December, 2013. Let's quickly see. I want to know. I want to know now for myself, too. What is going on? Okay, let's quickly do this like this. 2013. Can we see 2013 in this chart? We can. Okay. Let's go inside here a little bit. There we go. 2013. Let's see. It was there. We're going to check, right? We got to verify for ourselves. Okay, there we go. And now the specific date. It was, let's see here. I think December 5th, right? Let me just double check. December 5th, 2013. Okay, so December 5th, 2013. You know, this run actually does resemble a little bit of what we saw right now. December 5th, 2013. Hey, that is getting interesting. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let's quickly check. By the way, guys, the MacBook is pretty far away. I'm doing this with a mouse only, and it's kind of bothersome, but all right. Okay, let's see if we can find some juice right here. December 5th. Hey. All right. That is peculiar. I don't want to. That is interesting. So things are doing really properly for crypto. We got a second bounce, the all-time high, I think, of Bitcoin at that point. And then exactly this day, China comes out with regulations for Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. So, point being, it's not the first time. You see what I'm trying to say? Where I'm saying this is most likely some bigger effort. And also, you didn't think a lot of people thought here that crypto was going to never come back up again? Look at the price, $600 per Bitcoin. People thought, no, this is the highest we'll ever go. Things went down, they're like really afraid. At one point or another, it's going to switch over. That's one thing. And second of all, it's all relatively low. It's all relative. I mean, for right now, I would say crypto is still one of the lowest points ever. But look at that, though. That really is peculiar. So December 5th, yeah, the China came in. Okay, let's read the rest. The People's Bank made its first step regulating Bitcoin by prohibiting financial institutions from handling Bitcoin transactions. That's kind of the same thing as they did right now, right, though? Isn't it? Am I being stupid for this one? I'm going to type it on the side here. Let me quickly see if... Pat, I got you. Give me just a second. I'm going to type in here the China Bitcoin. I want to look up one article here on Reuters. Okay. Give me a second. I'm opening up some articles. I just have to verify that there's no crazy stuff on these. This one is good. Yes. And we have another one. Also good. Yes. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put my headset back on. Okay. Let's quickly check. So this one says, explainer, what Beijing's new crypto crackdown means for crypto in China. Chinese regulators have tightened restrictions that ban financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to crypto, marking a fresh crackdown on digital coins. What are the new measures? Well, 3 financial industry associations on Tuesday, directed their members, which include banks and online payment firms, not to offer clients any services involving crypto, such as crypto exchanges, registration, trading, clearing, and settlement. The directives were made in a joint statement from the National International Financial, just some associations over in China. What were the earlier rules? Let's quickly see. This is actually not filled, by the way. There's a couple points missing because China actually made an update last month, but people are not including that for some reason. People might have forgotten. But these are the rules that we're also seeing over in Wikipedia, right? Just basically, the 5th of December, we had our first ones. Then April 2014, PBOC ordered commercial banks and payment companies to close Bitcoin trading accounts in 2 weeks. Let's quickly check, all right? Let's do our fact checking. April 1st, 2014. April 1st, 2014. This one isn't that specific, okay. This one isn't that interesting. Things were already going down since what happened a couple of days ago. April 1st is, so 2 weeks later they had to close things down. Let's say April 15th. No, that's right. That's right here. No, so this isn't actually anything significant at all. Then, crypto exchanges or trading platforms were effectively banned by regulation in September 2017, with 173 platforms closed down by July 2018. So, September 2017 is also difficult because, well, what point exactly? And I mean, that was in the midst of the bull run, so that didn't really work out. In early 2018, People's Bank of China announced the State Administration of Foreign Exchange, led by Pan Gongsheng, would crack down on Bitcoin mining. Many Bitcoin mining operations in China had stopped operating in January 2018. This is missing a lot of info, because there were also a lot of regulations regarding ICOs in 2017. I didn't even include that. Now, Pat Kaya just donated something and said, or asked, how long until this dip maybe turns around in your opinion? To be honest with you, I just told you as well, it really is going to depend on what people are doing right now. I mean, the most logical thing is we should actually just literally bounce from this point forward almost instantly, because it doesn't make any sense that people are afraid of this. But again, you should mind very much so that people are generally quite afraid right now, and they are not certain of the crypto positions. We got a lot of people that are supporting these dog cryptos that are really afraid of crypto in general. They don't know what they're doing. And so from that perspective, well, it can last a little bit longer. But what would be logical? Well, logical would be to turn around rather quickly here, pick back up the pace, and bounce back upwards. So I am saying, everybody, once more, I think buying the dip is definitely a good idea. Can I tell you it's 100% certain? No. But I will tell you that it can only go down so many days in a row. Right now, we got some huge dump happening here. And most logical would be to just bounce back upwards. But then again, don't take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. There's more room to go down. For example, our next big support is right over here at this area. You can see it clearly. This is going to be our most interesting part. We didn't actually hit that just quite yet. There's some room. But I'm not really being fazed by all of this. I'm just excited about crypto, regardless of what happens here. And so many people are afraid, saying, Dusty, what should I do? What should I do? Man, if you can't make your own decisions right here, what's going on? Are you so uncertain about your crypto that you can't decide? You can't decide if you should buy crypto or not? It's so simple for me. I just buy the cryptos that I think will do well. And I hold some of the cryptos that I'm a little bit dubious about, and I don't sell crypto. I only sell crypto at a profit, or after I just know the crypto can never recover again. That's when I also might sell. So my expectation is we don't know, because people act irrationally. Specifically now, people are doing some BS stuff, man. It's not normal what's happening here. People are so afraid because of other people. And that's again why I actually wanted to start a stream here, to actually calm some people down, saying, hey, it's not that logical that things are falling this much. It shouldn't. It should have gotten a little bit of a correction. Even in 2013, it got a good correction going on. It should happen too. But this is way overkill. And I guess some of the bigger factors behind it are the fact that we have gotten continuous news. So this news came out like 20 hours ago, but it's been kind of going in waves with more people seeing it, more people hearing, oh, Bitcoin going down, Bitcoin going down. And again, because of all those dog coins and Elon Musk stopping Bitcoin adoption and the green issue, there's so many things which people are fearful of that I think it kind of caused a chain reaction of things just falling. And right now we are witnessing that. But no, guys, I'm still extremely, it almost sounded like I was sneezing, excited about crypto. I don't care what people are saying. Let them hate me. Please, if you hate me, sure, that's fine. And I will not tell you anything but the truth when I say that I think crypto is going to still surpass every level we have seen just now without a doubt in my mind. I'm again, not financial advice, my own opinion. I am 100% certain, 1000% certain in my own mind, once more, my own opinion, that we will cross this level again, whatever we've seen just now. And this is just the start of things. I personally still think as well that we'll make a couple $1 million the day that XRP gets a settlement going. I told you guys already, there's going to be so much opportunity for some crazy trades. And I'll tell you guys once it gets closer. All right, once it gets to a certain point, I'll tell you guys again exactly what I'm going to be doing, even though I've already said it a couple of times. And guys, let's quickly say it again. If you are excited about crypto and you're not following the channel just quite yet, you're missing out. Make sure you press that little subscribe button right now. And there's going to be some cool giveaways. We could even do a small giveaway now, maybe. Let me quickly see. We could even do one, maybe. No, I wouldn't know how to do it. It's very difficult to pick somebody. I actually tried that before when we had 1,800 viewers. Right now we have, let me quickly see how many people are watching. We have, holy smokes, we have 3,600 people watching. Oh, that is crazy. Okay, I thought we had maybe like 1,400. Okay, I'm so sorry. I didn't even know. So that is a big boy amount of people. That is good. Okay, you can definitely not we cannot do a giveaway like this. There's too many people in the chat box. We need some new moderators as well. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay, that's gonna be difficult. How do I do that? How do I pick a giveaway winner right now? I should have been streaming with Streamlabs, and I could have done it. You know what, guys? We'll do a giveaway tomorrow, okay? Or no, you know what? I'll do it later today. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out my next video. I will tell you exactly what you need to do to enter the giveaway. We're gonna give away. Let's quickly see. I'm gonna either do. Should we do $100 or 100 XRP? I'm thinking. Let's do 100. I guess 100. Let's do 100 XRP. You know, I'm gonna give away 100 XRP later today. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Just check out the next video, and you'll see exactly what you have to do. All right. We're doing multiple giveaways, guys. Not like we're only doing one, but that's the one I can tell you guys about right now. Okay, let's quickly see. JM posted new rules passed for Wall Street hedge funds yesterday. Margin calls on uncovered short positions on AMC, GameStop, and others coming. Billions of massive crypto dumps by hedge funds. Big part of this crash, artificial. JM, I think you're 99% right where you're saying it is unusually large because of institutions. Let's quickly see. He says new rules passed for Wall Street hedge funds. Let's see. Wall Street hedge funds short. Let's see if there's any rules here. We just got some articles from a couple weeks ago. Okay, let's do Wall Street regulation. Quickly see if there's anything that came out that I can find. We got 4 days ago, 3 weeks ago, 7 hours ago, but everything is about the World Economic Forum. Klarna's London IPO depends on UK post-Brexit regulation. No, I can't. U.S. regulatory scrutiny index providers mounts. S&P is responsible for the calculation of the VIX index, key measure of the U.S. stock market volatility. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not gonna make myself wet on this one. I don't know. All right, I don't know what's going on in that department, so I'm not gonna speculate too much. I shouldn't do any crazy stuff here. All these exchanges really down right now. Hey, let's quickly see what is Binance down. Are you guys able to use Binance? Let me type in Binance.com. It's loading fine. Let's see. Uphold. Okay, exchange. What crypto exchanges are down? Let me type that in. Is there a list? Oh, there's one list here. Maybe. I put up a list at least. Let's see here. There's an article which says, what crypto down today? Oh, no, it's I'm freaking stupid in the head. The other article was crypto exchange. This one is what crypto down today? Why is crypto down? I'm so freaking guys. I'm so excited that an article had the aggregator. I was like, damn. But no, is there any list to see what cryptos what crypto exchanges are down right now? Let me see. Okay, there's a down detector for Binance. There is not that many people, to be honest, that think Binance is down. Let's see. Uphold down. I'm just going to go off this list, right? Uphold status. Let's see. Uphold is having some issues, but not that much. Yeah, is anything down, guys? Let me quickly see in the chat box what you guys are saying. China regulations, not Binance, not down. Coinbase down. Is Coinbase really down? Somebody says I'm going to rob a bank. Better not, bro. I mean, with the way the crypto is going, banks will not have any money anymore, so that might not be the best decision. Buy more. Why market very dump? Once more, it is China. 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 And also, let's quickly check out the long liquidations here really quickly. Why is the website not loading? Holy this is the biggest I've ever seen. That is literally the biggest I've ever seen on 1 hour. Not gonna lie, I've never seen almost $4 billion being liquidated. 700,000, and somebody lost. Let's quickly see. Somebody just lost $67 million on Huobi. Somebody just lost $67 million because he got liquidated. Oh my soul. That is some big boy money that we're talking about right there. Holy smokes. $4 billion. It's only going up. We got $8 billion worth of liquidations in the last couple of hours. This is getting scary. By the way, look at this. Where is it happening, the most of this? It's happening over in China. Things are getting really interesting now, huh? This Huobi is a primarily Chinese exchange right now. Actually, always. It's just primarily a Chinese exchange. Huh. Damn. Damn. Look at that. We're not making an all-time high or anything like that, but we're getting, I think if we're going to end this day, we're going to get close to this level right here of April 17th in terms of long liquidations. It's going to be crazy. Look at that though. $4 billion in it's $4.2 billion liquidated in 1 hour. That means a lot of people are getting wrecked right freaking now. And that basically means a lot of people had their long positions opened, let's say, for example, right around this area here. And this was basically their close. And since Bitcoin keeps going down further and further and further, it is wrecking everybody. And that's, again, kind of following the idea that, guys, this is done to kind of put a boot up your ass. That's exactly, in really rough words, what is happening right here. They're trying to get you to sell. These guys want you to lose your money. I have diamond. Hey, everybody comment diamond hands in the chat box right now if you're still hodling crypto. I know it can be rough. I know it can be hard. But as long as we're all together, I guess we're still going to be good, all right? I don't know what else to say, man. It's like it's so easy for me, but it might be hard for people watching. That's why I want you guys to come together and just quickly show your support for each other, so people know it's not just them. And I don't want to start anything crazy or do anything crazy. It's like, just let the people know you're not alone in this one. Look at the chat box right now. If you were ever worried, guys, check the chat box out here. It's not only you, right? We're all in this together. Everybody is hodling crypto right now. We're all watching this, and in the end, guys, I think we'll all get out of this better than we started it off with. And quickly, I'm gonna just ask you one more time, all right? We right now have 4,200, is that right? 4,200 people watching. That's 4,000. We have 1,100 likes. Let's get right now to 50. No, you know what? If we get to 2,000 likes right now, I will up my giveaway from 100 XRP to 200 XRP. If we get to 2,000 likes right now, that's all I'm saying. All right, that's the last time I'll talk about the likes. So that was it. If you want to, you can press the like button. You don't have to, but it would be appreciated. And look at that. Look at that. Legendary coming in with the diamond emoji. $1. Thank you so much, man. For the support. All right. Yeah. Oh, diamond hands. Am I worried for a single second? No, not really, to be honest with you. If I were, I would definitely tell you. But I haven't even checked my portfolio. I'm just chilling here. Everybody I think is just chilling, watching as it unfold. And we're making money pretty soon here, because I'm just buying every single time it comes lower. When is my next buy going to be? Maybe I should have just literally bought right now. Let's quickly see a round number. So let's just to say, we'll buy another, we'll buy a massive bag worth. What is the price here? It hit, let me quickly see. I have to move over a little bit so I can see. Bitcoin hit? Bitcoin just hit $30,000. $30,000 per Bitcoin. No way. No way. $30,000 per Bitcoin. Look at XRP just plummeting like that. It feels good. It feels really good. Let me see. How much can I buy? I should maybe look at allocating some more extra funds to buy this dip. It's a juicy freaking dip, everybody. This is the actual juice. Legendary coming in with another $1 with the diamond emoji. Look at that. Diamonds in the sky. It's one of the greatest opportunities for wealth. It's crypto, man. It's so easy. It's a risk, I know. It's a risk, I know. It's a risk, I know. But it's really not that scary if you know what you do. Look at XRP on the hourly. Look at this RSI. Look at that. It is oversold extremely. Guys, make sure you understand, this is not based upon something which is logical. This is based upon thin air, because the China regulations are nothing new. It's people just talking about the same crap over and over and over again. It's not supposed to be this way. Guys, make sure you understand really properly. What is happening right here is manipulation to make you sell. I keep reminding people right now that it would be logical to come back around, and I'm testing it. I'm buying the dip. I will try. I will keep going like that. Legendary is spamming those diamond hand emojis, man, or diamond emojis. But most logically, guys, this shouldn't be it. It would be so stupid. This is manipulated. It doesn't make any freaking sense, man. Really. I keep telling people. But you guys, I think, all agree with me here on this one. Somebody says Coinbase is down. Is it really? I don't believe just people. Somebody says Binance won't let me sell or buy. So the website is not down, but it's okay. JM says Reddit superstock user Creond post new ICC rules summary preparing for defaulting members. Uh-oh, for real? Yeah. I mean, yeah. And 6Hunt says in the chat, this is normal for crypto. To be honest, it is actually one of the most normal things indeed. Am I scared? Am I surprised? No. Has this anything to do with Elon Musk? I think so. You know, to be honest, guys, I think Elon Musk has actually started quite a lot of this. That guy, even though I do like Elon with some of the things he's building, that guy has put up so much fear into the crypto market by going full on Doge and memeing the F out of Bitcoin that he wrecked us. That guy has wrecked us for a good part. Because that guy on his own has kind of put a boot up our ass. A fist, at least. You know, maybe a little fist, maybe a little rock, something like that, a twig. Just he put up something in there, and it's, you know, it's itching a little bit. You know, it's kind of, it's tickling a little bit, but also, you know, it's just annoying. Because that basically make it so that a lot of others, somebody says I disagree. Okay. It made it so that a lot of others were really afraid, I would say, of the crypto space. And it also popped up this issue of, okay, regulation in crypto, for example, in the green department. But also, for example, the fact that, well, Bitcoin can be controlled by one person. Yeah, I mean. Somebody says, Tesla going down. Is Tesla going down? I mean, whatever. I mean, I don't care about Tesla. Legendary still coming in with those dollars, man. Legendary is crazy. The Legendary crazy with those diamonds. Guys, how come I can't buy anymore? It won't let me. Wait a minute. Is that really going on right now? Are you guys kidding me? Hey, let's quickly check. Maybe we should actually check if you buy $1 worth of crypto, if it's going through or not. I'm not logged in on this computer here on a Bitcoin, on a crypto exchange. Let's quickly check, just with like $1 or like a cent or like the smallest piece of a crypto, so you don't waste too much money. Can you still transact crypto? Can you guys check? Just a couple of people have to do it. You guys are saying you can't buy. Nobody can. Is that really the truth? Can you guys really not buy, or are they trolling me? No, okay, Yip says you can buy on Binance. Somebody says all apps are down, then nothing is working. Binance won't let anyone trade. You can't buy or sell. Everything is down. Binance is busy. KuCoin down. Bitfavo is letting me buy. Okay, so Bitfavo in the Netherlands is going down. Somebody says pending, holding strong. I can't buy on Trust Wallet. Binance and Bitfavo won't let you deposit. I cannot buy. Yes, you can. Okay, Thomas says you can. Binance is blocking my money. Can't buy. Jao says you can't buy. ZZ says nope. Dion says I can't buy crypto anymore on the platform. Victor says I can't buy. Binance frozen from buying. Diamond Hands can't buy. It's true. Finance was down when I wanted to buy BTC. You can't do anything. It's for real though. You guys are not even kidding. Okay? Or you guys must all be trolling me. You guys are not even joking. You can't buy crypto right now? For real? KDS Gomez also says I can't buy. No, really. Can't buy at Kraken. You guys are no, you guys are kidding me, right? For real. You can't buy crypto right now. Okay, so now our theory from earlier is lining up a little bit bigger. I told you just now, the China news isn't that big a deal. But the fact is that you can't buy crypto right now. You can't. They want you to be fearful. The price would have been up like crazy because people are buying this dip massively. I think people are buying it massively. But since they won't make you, you're not able to buy it. Of course, the price is not going up that quickly. Guys, this makes a whole lot of freaking sense, man. This is definitely something. I'm on the edge of my freaking chair. I'm sweating right now. Ish Salazar says Coinbase and Uphold keeps crashing. Guys, what is going on? I told you just now, this crash is not logical. It is manipulated by bigger guys and people trying to make you fear. That's why there's articles coming out in sequences, and that's once more why the price most likely is down right now. There would have been at least one big rebound. Right now we're seeing, I guess, one, a little bit right here. There should have been one. There should have been a green candle, a big one. That's usually the way it goes. The price can't be down this long and so many red candles for so long with an RSI so ridiculously low when there's nothing to base it on. This is basically a crash purely because people are thinking it should crash and just thinking that maybe China's news is outdated. That stuff is not new. This is what China's been doing time and time again. They already crashed the entire crypto market in 2013 by doing exactly this. They're trying to get into your head. And most likely right now, a lot of this downward pressure is supported by people just not being able to buy, potentially also not being able to sell. Because again, we should see those two sides. You might not be able to sell either. But there's something bigger happening here. You can't tell me that people are this fearful without any good. There's no good reason. It's not making any sense. I'm checking here. You got what you guys are saying. People are saying there's a green candle on Binance, so they are buying. Okay, Dusty's, the only thing wrong, the servers are lagging. I just bought on Binance, Uphold, Crypto.com, Kraken, Gemini. Okay, so most likely everything is not necessarily completely down. You just cannot utilize it properly. So it's really hard to buy it. And there's most likely a couple of lag spikes or a couple of disconnected or, failure. Because I actually am trying it on my phone right now. And with me, it says everything is 0. So what you often have, I have at least with Binance. That's why I use BitMEX, by the way, for leverage trading. Again, BitMEX, link is down below. There's $2,600 worth of bonuses. Check it out, links down below. I use BitMEX purely because Binance has messed me up a couple of times with, you go to leverage trading and it says 0,000. And you try to press something on, it says 0,000. That's happening for me right now as well. And that usually works that way when things are so extremely busy. And I think that's also happening. JM says, that Reddit post I sent you, that's why hedge funds dumping billions in crypto, artificial crash. JM, I can't open the article just now, the Reddit post here, but I think you're making a lot of sense right now. I think a lot of institutions like JM here says are trying to put a boot up in crypto's ass. Why? Once more, the bigger picture. People are making money off of you right now. They want you to be fearful. They want it to crash. They want you to show your paper hands so they can make money on you. Right as we currently speak, people are laughing at the freaking bank right now. People are laughing in their big chairs, just laughing at you not being able to buy some crypto, buy this dip. Because you not being able to buy this dip is causing the price to dip further. And again, it's, hold up, wait a minute. Again, people are coming in and saying, we can't buy, but people are buying. Bitfavo is not working. Binance, you can buy crypto. CoinMarketCap don't work. CoinMarketCap works. CoinMarketCap is not down, bro. I think that's your internet, man. CoinMarketCap is not going to be down. However, Binance owns... The guy is right. CoinMarketCap is officially down. So this guy wasn't even lying. No way, guys. It's crumbling. No way. I didn't expect this. Okay, so CoinMarketCap is officially down. No way. Sorry. Let's see the liquidations here. Let's see what's going on. People are getting wrecked like crazy, huh? $4.4 billion. This is... CoinMarketCap is down. No way. Tyler says Gemini Exchange is working. Most likely some people can get through, but most people can't. CoinMarketCap is down. By the way, guys, Binance owns CoinMarketCap. So it could be that Binance and CoinMarketCap are both down because of some reason inside there. I thought this guy was joking or trolling me, but CoinMarketCap is literally down. No way. For real? This guy was saying it, and I'm testing it out, it's down. So maybe it's going to be up again in just a second, but at least I'm amazed. I pressed the refresh button, by the way. It's just loading at the top screen. You can see at the bottom left, right? It says you're waiting for CoinMarketCap because I already pressed, but it's just loading now. It's not working. It's literally down. CoinMarketCap is down. That's the first time ever that I see that. You guys say not down. Guys, why would I fake news? It's just I have CoinMarketCap open right now. And the fact, I'm going to look it up on my phone here. Give me a second here. Let me see. Maybe it's only for some places. On my phone is working. CoinMarketCap is working on my phone. I can see it on my phone. Again, why would I make fake news? What am I doing here? Why would I joke with you? You literally just see, I have CoinMarketCap open here. It's not working. That's all I'm showing. And I press refresh. You know what? I got you. You know what? I'll open CoinMarketCap on a fresh tab here on the side. CoinMarketCap. Let me type it in. CoinMarketCap.com. Oh, Dusty, no, it's up from... I told you, it's down for me. I'm not kidding. I'm not making a joke. This is CoinMarketCap.com. Sorry for the inconvenience. Please report this message and include the following information. Thank you. CoinMarketCap.com, server, CoinMarketCap, next, whatever. Date, 2021-05-19-13-24. That's their time. That's not my time. Why would I be joking with you? I'm not trolling you. On my phone, it's working. On my computer, it's not working. All right? I'm not joking. I will refresh once more. I have refreshing CoinMarketCap right now. And I will do this on the different tab as well. All right, let's see what happens. I will refresh here, CoinMarketCap. I press the refresh button now. Let's see. Let's see what happens. It just keeps loading. Both of them are loading. Loading. I'll open it once more for you guys because you think I'm trolling you. Let me see here. I'll type it in. Wait, is CoinMarketCap down? You know what? We'll go to a down detector. Is there anyone? Let's see. Huh. So CoinMarketCap here says it is up on a down detector. Let me see. if there's anyone that's saying it down. Because for me, God, why would I be joking with you? I'm not joking. It's just how it's going for me right now. There's not many reports though. How is it so? Maybe it's only in Dubai then. Maybe for me it's just down all of a sudden. Clear cash. All right. Maybe it's my issue. Could be. But it's pretty funny that one guy says it's down, and I check and it's also down for me. It's just pretty funny. You know, it's coincidental. I've never had this before in my entire life, and I've used CoinMarketCap for a very long time. It's just my server. All right, good. Oh, somebody also says, yep, CoinMarketCap is down. Look for myself. Somebody else says it's down as well. Just you, bro. It's not down. It's back up. Maybe it's just, you know, per person. Whatever, man. I'm not making a big deal out of CoinMarketCap. It's just that things are really popping off right now. And this, again, just most likely just traffic. Clear your cash. Guys. Let's make it here. Let's make it apparent. Some people are saying it's down. Some people are saying it's up. Somebody says CoinMarketCap also down in South Africa. CoinMarketCap is also down in Estonia. I think it's just dependent per place, maybe. But on my phone, it's also out there. Somebody says, stop trying to prove a point. Give news. We are talking about every single piece of news that's going on right now. This is news if it's there. So, yeah. Some people saying the exchanges can't open. Let's see. Can't log into Coinbase. It works in the Philippines. You know what? Let's give CoinMarketCap the benefit of the doubt because it's still showing the little logo at the top as well. But it's not working for me. You know, it's not working for me. Maybe it is working for you, whatever. Binance is not working for me properly. You guys are complaining about every exchange right now. There's huge liquidations happening as well. We're watching this unfold. Let's quickly watch the crypto markets, actually. Let's see what's going on here. We're still in the exact same kind of predicament where things are hitting the fan. It's up in Philippines, up in Romania, down in India, going up in Germany, down in Atlanta, down in USA, up in Belgium. KuCoin is down in the US. CoinSpot down in Australia, down in Texas, down Greece, down. Coinbase is down in UK, down in Japan. CoinMarketCap is also down in Pakistan. India, everything is down. Works in Romania, down in Europe, up in UK, down in Australia. Yeah, so we can definitely, you know, make some conclusions, but whatever. All right, whatever. We'll keep it at a neutral for right now. You see the chat box, guys? People are saying cyber attack on exchanges. I don't think so. I think it's just a huge amount of traffic. I think there's just a huge amount of people right now trying to buy this dip because we're all in the same kind of predicament where it's like, well, we want to buy. It's a 50% freaking discount on crypto. So, I mean, Bitcoin just hit 30,000. I want to get in. I want to buy, but it's not going to let you. Why? I don't know. I think it. No, I'm not going to say it's There's two theories, and one is really far-fetched. One is kind of accurate. One is just so many people want to buy this dip after so many people try to sell massively that right now the exchanges, the servers can't handle it, right? Because Coinbase usually gets some spikes which are 20 times the usual workload, so they aren't prepared for it. And they're really expensive, of course, those servers, because there's millions and millions of people at the same time. The other one would be, again, this is, take this with a grain of salt, right? A little bit of conspiracy type of thing. The other one is bigger guys are manipulating these exchanges right now to be down, to not be able to buy, so the price looks down for a little while, so people get more fearful and the price drops more. Take it as you will. I'm just saying it's a possibility. I'm not saying that actually happened. Just thinking, you know, broadly here. Monkey says, chill. It's an error 500 means excessive load and high volume, probably on one node, causing the server to consume all its RAM and fail. Monkey, that's exactly the problem though. That the amount of volume on CoinMarketCap is so huge that it's down. That's the entire point, because that's never happened before that I've ever seen it. So that means even they weren't prepared for this huge surge of people just going berserk, right? It most likely crashed because of the amount of people. Of course, theoretically speaking, it could also be something else, but whatever. To be honest, guys, it doesn't really matter too much. What are you guys all doing right now? Hey, let's actually ask, where you guys are watching from right now as we speak? Dusty, the most bearish scenario, they destroy us until all hope is lost, and then centralized institutions own the crypto market. Yeah, that's a very that's a very bearish scenario indeed, my brother. That's indeed a very bearish scenario. People just say, no, watching the market, trying to buy. Yeah. Keep calm, contemplating life. Hey, man, take it easy. Relaxing on the couch. No such thing as coincidences. You know. Trying to buy in the Netherlands, Almao. Let's actually ask, who's trying to buy crypto right now? Because you guys are all putting up your countries. Who's trying to buy crypto right now and it's not working? Or maybe it is working, but who's trying at least? Let's see. Because I haven't tried yet. I will have to. Aeon says, Dusty, blockchain fundamentals have not changed one bit, so this has to be the biggest market manipulation of all times, trying to overtake as much crypto as possible. Hold tight. I don't know what else to say. I would really be on the same note with you here that this doesn't make any god freaking sense. It does not make any sense at all. But again, I've already told everybody, I think, that the price should go up. This was a juicy dip. It was way lower than I ever expected it to get to. Wait, give me a second. XRP dipped to 85 cents? Oh my days, I have to walk a little around in my room. No, this did not just happen. XRP dipped to 85 frick. No way. No, you gotta be kidding me. Did XRP really drop that low? Really? That's some juicy discount right there. Who bought XRP below $1? What is the price right now? It's right now at $1.10. It hit 87 freaking. I need to chill. I need to calm down a little bit, guys. What is it Christmas yet? Is it Christmas? Is it Thanksgiving? Is it some 4th of July? Is it some fun day? What is going on? We're so lucky. We are so lucky to be in the crypto space, man. I feel so privileged. Look at this. We got some juicy free money. How else can I call it, guys? This is so. Look at that. We're coming back. Hey, we're coming back up a little bit, by the way. Hey, we're bouncing back. Okay. Let's see. Let's see us perform. I'm not saying this is the end, by the way. You know, you can never say that in a run like this. In a manipulated run of this extent, we can never say that. We did hit exactly on the Fibonacci, by the way. What Fibonacci is that, actually? Let me quickly see. Let's zoot out a little bit. Let's go to daily, I think. This is the 0.236 on the bigger wave from the all-time high back in 2017 to the lowest point of 2020. So that is a really big boy support. We kind of went through there on a wait, is this now? No, this is back in the day, right? Is this today? Did we? No, wait, no way, right? Is this today? Wait a minute. Am I being uninformed right now? Am I missing something? Wait a little second. Is that today? Wait, give me a second, guys. I need to put this on. That's not today, though, right? No. That's not today. No way. Is this today? That is the single. That is no way. Did we just hit 75? I can't. I need to clear my eyes. Oh, not my ears, my eyes. Did we just hit 75 cents per XRP? Damn. 75 cents. No way. Let me see. How much gains is that from right now already, from the dip? Everybody, oh my days. If you bought the dip, you're already up 50 freaking percent. XRP on Binance here hit 75 cents today. That is peculiar. I didn't even know, guys. I didn't even. Holy smokes. That is a big boy dump right there. That is a big boy dump. Let me quickly make a little conclusion, guys. Somebody says it's a glitch, not 75. Okay, it's a glitch. Let's see what it went on other exchanges. So on Bitstamp, I think the top one is it's not loading. I think the trading view exchanges, everything is just overloaded right now. Let's quickly see. This one it hit 93. Oh, okay. So on Bitstamp it hit 93. Let's see. On what other things do we have? We have a Bitfinex. It hit. I can't read. Not 83. I think 83 on Bitstamp. So Bitfinex, I mean. And then I think we have Binance, right? Binance hit 75. And then we have another one. It's the Tether Binance. So this is the other one is versus the US dollar. This is versus Tether. Here we hit about 85 cents. Right? And this one is to USD. Oh, this is also Tether. Oh no, it's the US dollar. There we go. So versus the US dollar hit 75 cents on Binance. Could be a glitch, could be something else. I don't really know. I'm just watching this with you guys, all right? So I don't have insider knowledge. What I want to quickly conclude here. Wait, let me take a little sip of my watermelon juice. Hey, by the way, we have a Discord with 15,000 people. If you want to talk to people, you want to kind of chat with people who also hold XRP and want to talk about it, go check out the link. It's just a Discord, man. You guys know how it works. It's not difficult. But it's just if you want to. You don't have to. I'm not forcing you. It's just if you wanted to use a Discord, there's a link down below for it. But this is definitely something else. This is way more interesting than I expected it to be. This is now do we call it war? What do we call this? This is kind of war. Holy freaking, hey guys, if you are not yet subscribed, we need 17 more subscribers to get to 117,000. Make sure you press that little button. I already told you, there's a video coming out later today, and we will do a giveaway in that video, and I'll tell you guys exactly what you need to do. Whew. So, okay, so let's do a little bit of a summary. China came out with some first of all, this week started off really strangely because, of course, we had Elon Musk, of course, pump and dump and basically everything. I still think he's a very big part of all this negativity happening right now because people really went fearful mostly because of that guy. He started off this week with some really shenanigans, right? Some big shenanigans. A little bit later, all of a sudden, boom, China regulations come in. China kind of announces some stuff which is already We're going really crazy. We're going really fast. China is just announcing some stuff we've already seen for a very good while, since 2013. Just some more regulations regarding crypto in a negative sense. And all of a sudden, people start to panic sell. Panic. Some of the craziest panic we've seen in a very good while. The reason that doesn't make any sense is because, well, it's nothing new. And because we already had this whole kind of period of fear with Elon and stuff like that. Why? It's just purely because people are selling on top of people or it's being manipulated. Like, for example, the people can't buy right now. We've seen that multiple times before as well, that things are going worse because you cannot buy. Again, the RSI, as we just said a couple of minutes ago, is at one of its worst points ever. People are picking up back the pace again, and as you can see, there's more gains. There's gains. People are making money right now. Let's quickly check out Market Cap, see if it's up. Yeah, no, not working for me, but it will fix itself pretty soon, I think, yes. People are still getting wrecked, by the way, too. I need to walk a little bit in my room here. I need some leg. So, whoo, this is getting really interesting. I really wasn't expecting this to go that heavy, to be honest with you. Did you guys expect this? It's a fun journey though. So China, why? Let's ask China. Why did you do this to us, China? Why did you think this was a good idea? I don't know. All these articles talk about exactly the same thing. Bitcoin slides below 40. It actually slid below 30,000 a little bit after this article. Bitcoin slides below 40 after China's new crypto ban. Bitcoin tumbled below $40,000 mark on Wednesday to a 3.5 month low as selling in digital coins intensified after China banned financial and payment institutions from providing crypto services. I'm kind of annoyed that none of these articles are posting about what China did last month. Because last month there were also some China announcements, but I can't find it anymore. But I've covered it on my channel. So I might have to go and look through everything here. Because it's getting really juicy up in this. Juicy, by the way, why am I saying that all the time? Well, because wait, what's this article right here? What's this? What is this? Ripple set to launch their IPO May 19th? Oh, they're just talking about the future. I was like, why do I have this article open? The Ripple's not going for IPO now. No. Maybe we need to find some other articles here about the current situation. Because this is... Hey, let's actually check out Hong Kong. It's legal over there. Okay. November 2013. Said that Bitcoin is only a virtual commodity. Okay, so in Hong Kong, I guess it's kind of juicy still. It's just China, mainland, that it's not the Republic of China where it's not going well. Somebody says, when will the lawsuit be done? I'll tell you when I think it's going to be done. When we're there. Because, I don't know, up front, right? You can never tell that type of stuff. Wow. Look at that. We're recovering, though, guys. We are finally recovering something. Oh, I see. I missed a donation from Shane Sini. He says, Engadine, Australia, Dusty. Hey, welcome, Shane. You're back at it again with Engadine or whatever the place is. Welcome. Welcome back to the chat. Charlie says with a $5 or £5, I bought this morning for $1.30. Oh, $1.30, and now I can't buy more because Uphold isn't working. Yeah, I mean, that's the way it sometimes goes, you know? That's the way it sometimes goes. Sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you aren't. And sometimes exchanges will stop you from buying any single crypto. Yes, yes. Isn't that fun? Isn't that nice? When you just want to, do your own, just do your stuff, just buy some crypto, and they're stopping. You want to buy some juicy dips, but the exchange is like, no, we're going to let it fall. It's kind of the same thing as with the AMC, with the AMC and that type of stuff, where Robinhood stopped buying it, buying it all of a sudden. You guys remember? Everything kind of crumbled or went to shizzle because they did that. I remember really well. And now, it's kind of happening in the same way. It's kind of happening in the same way where a lot of pressure is now being put on the sellers to just continue this on. And right now, maybe guys, maybe just when we said it a couple of minutes ago here, like when was it now? Let's see, like a half an hour ago. Things just finally start to come back up here because people were allowed to buy again. And we just noticed, hey, it's a really big boy dip. Let's buy this. To be honest, guys, I keep telling you, dips are there to be bought. And you'll see, again, people in about a day or so when things are coming back up, because all of this was fundamentally based upon thin air, that people will start to buy again like crazy. Meta says that airplays video. What is that supposed to mean? Dry says ADA is back to normal already. Guys, once more, we'll keep repeating it here. We are buying the dip. We are buying the dip. We are buying the dip. We don't think this whole bearish run here is based upon anything. And yeah, if you think so, explain to me why. Because China's regulations and stuff like that, they don't make any freaking sense. So, to be honest with you, I think we should just keep going up from this point forward. Once more, it is my... Oh, man, no way. I hope this guy is trolling. Stephen Bull from the Deep here says... I have panically sold all my XRP. I'm so scared now. No, I think he's joking, right? I think he's memeing about. Must be. I think I don't follow this man. I think he's joking. Huh. Yeah. Another fun part, I think pretty soon here. Because, okay, so a little backstory. I was at the pool just now, and one guy, I don't know if Crypto Rover's in the chat here. I'm not sure, but he'll know. One guy was saying, Bitcoin is going down right now, huh? Because he knows we talk about crypto, a lot. So the guy just told me Bitcoin is going down. What's Bitcoin now? I said, I think 43, 39. I'm not sure. One fun fact is that those guys, those people who are not involved with crypto, they know crypto is going down. Why? Because the media tells them. One fun fact is that if the dollar does anything stupid, or if the stocks fall a little bit, they won't really tell you if it's the big boys. They'll only tell you if it's things which are quote unquote risky or things which are more, newer, I guess, when they really want to, show you. It's not they don't want to show you. They want to get clicks. And I see that really happening with crypto a lot as well. They just want the clicks. They just want the attention. So they attempt every single part that they can to get you to click on it. And if that means they have to put in the most funny article, funny piece of information out there, they don't care. They don't care about you. They care about me. They care about us. They want to get there. They want to get it. They want to have it. And we know that. We can see through their charade. We can see through their lies. Somebody says the most stupid thing to do is sell your XRP. Okay, somebody, Keen Bean here says, okay, hey, guys, screenshot this. Keen Bean says, oh, shut up. This is crashing. Stop giving false hope. Once more, I will accept all this hatred. Let me be the scapegoat. Let me be the guy you're going to hate if crypto goes down, because I don't care. I think it's going to go up, and I will keep standing by this prediction. I have diamond hands. I will not sell any I almost broke my desk just now. I will not sell any freaking crypto to the bitter freaking end. I don't care what you guys are saying on that department. If you are saying to me, Dusty's going to go down, that's completely fine, but I am not going to sell. I am not going to sell. I am not doing any of that type of stuff. What we are going to do is we're going to hold this type of stuff. You'd be gassed. Man, again, you can also hold a different crypto. I mean, I don't really care. It's not like XRP is the only crypto you can buy in this dip. A lot of cryptos are doing proper. It's not like there's only one currency to the moon. It's basically anything right now. We're recovering. We are coming back up here. This could be another fake out. You never know how these guys want to play the game because the China news didn't come out an hour ago, right? This news came out like 22 hours ago, and people are just kind of getting wave after wave after wave, and there's more information coming out. And the information is basically the same thing, but people are just finding it out now. And again, people are getting scared of other people getting scared, and all these websites going down, all that type of stuff is getting people more scared. The Bitcoin bull run is not over. Bitcoin had a positive close on the weekly. Everything is still A-okay in my opinion. I think most guys that are in crypto right now will tell you, things are still looking good. Crypto is not going anywhere. It is just fear. Once more, you don't have to believe me. You don't, because I'm not a financial advisor. You can look up for yourself, do all the type of stuff you want to do. But again, mind you when I say that the most people watching right now, we're 5,000 people strong, almost. All people watching right now know exactly the same drill. This has happened so many times before, and so many times that people said, Dusty, I regret it so much that I sold the majority of my crypto somewhere. Right now, exchanges are down. We can test it again. Let me quickly know in the chat box if it's down right now, if any exchange is down, because I think so. I think a lot of exchanges are down right now. Why? Because there's a lot of people trying to buy this dip. There's a lot of people trying to sell because they're panicking. A lot of people are trying to buy this dip too. Let's actually open up ADA. You guys are saying ADA. Let me see. Where's ADA? It's going slow as can be. Let me quickly see ADA. I mean, to be honest with you, ADA, XRP, it's all kind of looking the same way. And again, we have a Ferrari or something like that coming across the across the boulevard, kind of. Down in Seattle, Bit5 won't let me buy. No, you see, guys, a lot of people are trying to buy, but they can't. They're not letting you. I'm thinking, guys, that it's just a manipulated dip. There might be another one. Could definitely be, but it's manipulated in my opinion. I am not going to fall for this type of stuff. I will definitely just hold it on through, hold for dear life. You know, basically, yeah, you guys know it. And all these exchanges are down right now. A lot of people are trying to get in. Don't let yourself get manipulated. Don't let yourself get fooled. Let me type in. Let's see if there's any new news coming out. Let's quickly refresh Crypto Panic. Where is it? It's here. Let's refresh really quickly to see what's coming out. Oh, we have to go back. Let's quickly see what type of news came out. So we got Ethereum Foundation. Ethereum 2.0 will use 99.95% less energy. That's a very smart move to make. XRP, Dogecoin, and Cardano collapse 50%. Bitcoin dominance soars. Breaking, Wells Fargo becomes the largest bank or latest banking giant to make foray into crypto. Okay. Bitcoin drops below 40,000, over a 40% sell-off from all-time high. Institutions may be dropping Bitcoin for gold as Bitcoin slims below 40K by JP Morgan. Screw JP Morgan. Bitcoin's roller coaster ride leaves market players unfazed as upside beckons. I would agree with that one. It's already from 3 hours ago, though. And 7 hours ago, Ripple announces partnership with Egypt, the largest bank, and that was also pretty fun to see. Am I afraid? Nope. If I am, I will tell you. But right now, I'm still good. We're making a lot of money right now. And that's all I'm saying. We're making a lot of money. Everything is going really joyfully. The liquidations are going down. Yeah. It's kind of looking like things are recovering again. Yep. It's picking back up the pace. XRP still at extreme oversold territory. Might not still be too late to get into it, to be honest with you. Could we go down further? Of course we could. That would once more show you guys this is too manipulated. Buying the dip is definitely worth it. Again, we can see here, almost anytime you buy the dip, by the way, if you get, closest to the lowest, you still have a chance to basically sell at a profit here. When things are going down this significantly, buying the dip is almost always smart. I told you, it will almost never go down consecutively so much. Specifically if the news is based upon thin air and other people selling. It's kind of a domino effect, and people are kind of like sheep sometimes in this specific aspect that they're, getting afraid of this type of stuff. But logically, things shouldn't be doing this bad. It's going way worse than it should. So that gives you a very big sign that, hey, we shouldn't do it. Aeon says, when Bitcoin drops, investors buy. Into alt, welcome to altcoin season. I doubled my portfolio and won. Buy, hold dips, Bitcoin dollar cost average. Yeah, if you're not buying this dip, I don't know what you are doing, but you're definitely not. Yeah, the crypto veteran, I guess. Am I encouraging you to buy? I don't know how we should say it. I'm not trying to advise you to buy, but I'm saying we are doing that. That's all I'm trying to say. So should you? Once more, guys, I think it's your own decision, and it can definitely be something scary because you never know how it's going to work out. But most of us are doing it because we think it's going to work out properly. And I'm just, I don't know, man. It's just so really simple. It's so simple to just hodl. It's not difficult. You can't tell me it's difficult, so why would I do anything else? I don't know. I'm just buying the dip, hodling, buying the dip, hodling, buying the dip, hodling. And right now we're watching this unfold because things are coming back up. It's going juicy. Look at that. It's recovery. It's not recovered all the way through, but it's a start. It's a beginning. You have to start somewhere. You have to start somewhere. You have to, you gotta work at one point or another. But what a big sell-off, huh? What a panic. I want to also see Twitter a little bit. I just want to kind of check through what those guys are saying as well. What a huge amount of panic. There's people right now going spaces. I don't know what that is on Twitter. Oh, you can go live on Twitter, huh? Yeah, man, whatever. Pooh, what a shit show. Can I say that? I think I can. What a piece of garbage. What a hot piece of garbage and crap this has been. Holy smokes. This is something you don't see so often, though. At least I don't. This type of stuff. Extreme fear. Extreme market manipulation. Extreme amount of people just shivering like crazy. It is so fun. It is so fun. It is so fun to watch. Look at that. Recovering like crazy. And then again, people will tell me, again, when the prices have gone up so ridiculously much, they'll tell me, Dusty, should I buy right now? Yep. Charlie says, I'm not into conspiracies, but when my bank was authorizing my transfer to XP earlier, they said it's high risk today, even though it wasn't falling yet. I'm not sure if that's, yeah, that could be something. I'm not sure if it is, because usually those types of things, yeah, I'm not sure about that, to be honest with you. Could be that they knew. Maybe it was really the banks shorting it like crazy. You know, the big guys. One guy at the pool today said as well that crypto is against the banks, so they will never allow it. You know, there's definitely some conspiracies there. Yeah. Conclusion, exchanges right now are having some issues. You'll most likely not be able to buy on quite a lot of different platforms. People are spamming right now like crazy that their transaction not going through. It's known, all right? It's known. Bitflyer is down in Japan. Try to buy Netherlands, whatever, guys. I don't know what to say about it. It's definitely one of the crazier days I've ever witnessed in the crypto space, though. Specifically in terms of views here, we got 5,500 viewers, 5,500 people watching in total in one moment. That is the craziest we've gotten in a really good while. Whew, yeah, it does make you think about things as well. It does make you think about a lot of things. But we're recovering, though. And I think that's what people find less exciting. Because it means, again, the normalies are going to make a lot of money again. We want the price to be down so we can buy more. Specifically if the exchange is not letting you buy, right? You want it to be down. So you can actually buy some extra coins. At least I think so. I always wanted it to be down. I like it. Hey guys, we need one more subscriber to get to 117,000. We are at 116,999 on my phone here. Who's going to be this 117,000 subscriber? Who's going to be it? We need one more. That's pretty funny. We need one more subscriber. Oh, I think we already got it now. Have we gotten it? Let me quickly check. Oh yeah, we got it already. Let me see. Holy, when I said that, 300 people pressed the subscribe button. Guys, we're at 117.5 almost. Holy, that was too fast. No way. You guys are crazy. And just wait. YouTube is going to make it so that everybody will be unsubscribed in just a second. You know what, guys? Everybody watching right now, I'll make sure it's worth it, man. There's going to be some really cool stuff coming up. Don't worry about it. I'll make sure that you guys are all going to be rewarded. In the end, we're all one big family. If I am doing good, you are doing good. We're going to try post as much content here that you need. And we're going to try, hey, I'm going to spill my beans, all right? I'm going to spill out all my strategies. I'm going to talk to every single guy that you watch on the crypto space. I will get them into interviews. Don't worry about it. I got you. I will try my bestest on my best to make sure we get a ton of stuff going, all right? If there's any interview you guys want, I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you. Don't worry about it. And I'm going to make sure as well that any single person right now, anybody here, again, I cannot guarantee it, but I'm going to try my best to make sure that any person here is going to be good. You know, I'm going to try my best to give you guys all the tips I can. I'm going to look up, so you guys already know, I do a lot of crypto diligence, right? I do a lot of stuff. But I'm going to try to do even more because the support we're getting on this channel is insane. I cannot even imagine. If there's anything you guys want me to do, any interview you guys want, you can always let me know. I'm going to try my best to get it done. We have 2,000 freaking likes. That is so insane. And then I'm not even trolling, guys. We need 3 more subscribers to get to 117.5 thousand. How can this be? It is such a crazy world, man. Crypto is going to See, crypto is gonna change so many people's lives, and we're gonna be here. You guys were all here. A lot of you guys were also here before 100,000. It's so freaking crazy, man. How fast it's all growing, how fast it's all going. I know. Crypto is gonna make a lot of people generational wealth, generational money. Everybody here, right here watching, let me quickly know in the chat box, are you hodling crypto right now? And are you excited? Let me know by saying yes or no in the comment section, because I'm ecstatic. I don't even know how to put it here. I am so freaking excited, I can't even describe it properly. Oh, yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. A lot of people are selling, a lot of people are fearful, but what are we doing? No, we know the system. We know the games they're playing. How many people you think just bought this dip and made a ton of freaking money? People made already like 70% profit on XRP only today. Let's quickly check it out here. The Binance one. I think people made like 70% profit or so. It's the big boy one. Let's see here. Which one went down the lowest? I think this one. I think, was it really a glitch though then? Did XP hit like 75 cents? Look at that. I think it might be a glitch though. I'm not sure exactly what that's supposed to mean. Let's look at the profit real quick. So the profit on this one specifically right now on XRP, this can't be real, right? Can it really? Would be 60% almost for just buying this little dip right there. Well, again, guys, my strategy of just buy your way down and you'll get 40% profit has worked yet again. Then again, I think this is not true though. I don't know if it actually hit there because on a shorter time frame you can't actually see it. So I'm a little bit confused as to why on a bigger time frame it is showing that little position. Still, however, let's quickly check it out. What kind of a profit we got from the dip right here? Yeah, right now about 35%. That's again the. Oh yeah, we are at 117,499. We are there at it again. We are there again, boys. That is so funny how fast the subscribers are going. We just got 500 subscribers in like 1 minute. In like 5 minutes or so. Oh, what a time. What a freaking time, man. Yeah. I love crypto. I love crypto. I love crypto. All right, what do you guys think? Okay, let's actually do a little bit of a prediction session. Do you guys think we'll end the day in green or red? So this, for example, will we close above $1.27 for XRP or below it? I personally am expecting us to still close green if things go well from here. So that means no more extra dump. If we get a second dump, I think we'll just close red. If we get, from this point forward, basically recovering on the Bitcoin, because XRP doesn't matter that much, XRP will follow along and actually outperform. If we get one from Bitcoin, most likely things will just pop on in a positive sense. Okay, you guys are saying CoinMarketCap is back. Let's check it out. Yes, CoinMarketCap is back up there. Had a big issue. Look at that. Look at how far they've gone down here. Maybe they couldn't handle the stress of people just pressing it, refreshing it. There was some huge load on there. Some huge, nice, fat load. Yeah. What is it now? Let's quickly check. XRP price right now is at 115 point something. Or 116, let's say. All right. You got your predictions in. Let's see later today who was right. People are still coming in the chat saying, hey, what's happening? Or, hey, China's doing this, that, this, that. China ain't doing nothing. China is doing some financial institutions cannot use cryptocurrencies anymore, blah, blah, blah. That's happened so often, it's nothing rationally new. It's like, how can I explain it in the best fashion? It's not something to really think about too much. It's like, oh, China's doing that? Oh, okay, yeah, cool. It's happened before. It's nothing new. It's nothing strange, nothing crazy. It's happened before, and China will keep sparring up this controversy yet again. China does not want crypto to succeed anyway. Even though they have a lot of the money power over there, I think a lot of the stuff over there that's happening right now is all part of the bigger plan, man. I keep telling you, I don't think this is all, just fine business. I don't think they want you to succeed anyway, but whatever. Yeah, man, look at this. China will attempt to destroy what they cannot control. I'm not going to say that, but I can say that they have a currency of their own right now. Hey, guys, by the way, I think this is going to be one of the most important candles right now, because if we actually get above this right now for Bitcoin, things are really looking really quite beautiful. However, it's going to depend, right? Because this could be a little bit of a reversal. It's not engulfing or anything like that, but it could be a bottom. Let's actually wait for this candle, though, because we right now got a little bit of a kind of an upwards move again. We could come back down from right here. It happens quite often that again you get kind of a big dump, and the biggest dump has a green candle because that basically means people are trying to come back up here, and the next candle it comes back down. So be careful with this one specifically. I wouldn't have any crazy trades right now. I would say be careful for this exact moment because this type of stuff usually wrecks a lot of people. You'll see if we actually get a red candle here. So that means again things are kind of looking bad. Usually, that also wrecks the most amount of people. So that's basically where a lot of this is going to come from. Then again, right now, look at that. Last hour was like the craziest I've ever seen in my life at 4.4 billion, I think. Right now we are at 1.4, which is more usual. It's already ridiculously high, but that's more usual. And this 8.3 is like halfway of the all-time high, which we ever had, I think. Which it eventually will get to. Just wait. This has to update. Right now, it's not there yet. You'll see. It's going to update to be one of the biggest we've ever seen. Because I think here it was like 16 billion, maybe. It says here was 9 billion in terms of long. So and this one has 8. It might actually turn out to be the biggest liquidation day in a very long while, maybe even ever. It could be, because this was a day. This was something I haven't witnessed in a very long time. A sell-off of this severity. This is something you only see in the freaking movies, man. You don't only see this in the freaking. You can't make this stuff up, man. It was a really heavy sell-off. Didn't expect it. I think most people didn't expect this to happen like that. This severely, at least. Let's quickly see. Somebody says, I see another dono coming in. Decision of Power Trading Group says, super slammed into retail stops under the lows, expected to be bought up. I do expect it to be bought up from this point on forward. To be honest with you, I think the bottom is basically set in and we're good right now. This correction, you could say, was necessary for people to just get their fear out, and basically the bulls showing their support for crypto and showing, hey, whatever retail does, it doesn't really matter too much. We will pick it back up from wherever it falls to. However, once more, this is a dangerous candle because even though I think it will be picked back up, it could be from this point, right? It could be at about $30,000 or so. So be careful right now. This candle is going to be the determining factor. So let's hope for it to close red. If it closes, let's hope for it to close green or a very minor red. But supposedly, or hopefully just a big green one as a good reversal. Maybe even touching the EMA again. That would be nice. Because it's pretty funny how we were so happy that it closed above the EMA on a weekly perspective. And right now, let's actually check it out on a weekly perspective, how we're doing on that department. Have we gone below the 21 EMA? No, that not. We've actually, I think this is the EMA, right? This is the MA. So no, we actually have crossed really severely below that one. I told you guys we needed to close above that one last time to be positive. We did. Right now we fell back down. We're actually catching up to the 50 moving average. Look at that. You might actually see that it was a bounce from that point on forward. We'll see in just a second. This is actually, again, one of the heaviest sell-offs I've witnessed in a very good while. This is not something you see very often. This is something for the books. Good correction, good opportunity to buy. I am going to say be careful right now. I would say don't spend 100% of the capital. Somebody says my Ethereum has gone missing from my account on Coinbase. Is OS. Contact the support if that really happened. In the end, also you might want to check your withdrawals to see if somebody actually took it off. If it's just not showing up anymore, there's a good chance that Coinbase is just so busy and so glitched that it's not showing in there. Guide's Perspective says this will be the day remembered forever in crypto history. Wacky Wednesday. Maybe, man. It was definitely one of the craziest days. Got more VET and XLM. I do want to say again, if people were scared, afraid, or sad that they didn't get into crypto, quote unquote, early enough, I guess here's another kind of opportunity, right? Another little chance because things are quite cheap right now. It might go down lower. You should always keep that in the back of your head. BTC going back down again? Who knows, man? This is a bigger plan. We can't compete in this one. I don't have any position open anymore, I think. Might have been liquidated on one of mine, actually. Because I didn't know. If XRP really went to 75 cents, I'm definitely out. I'm not sure exactly anymore where my position ends. I think I have one on XRP and one on Bitcoin open. I don't want to say. I don't want to say it's looking good, though. Because I don't believe so. I think it's looking kind of sad. What a crazy day, guys. What a crazy freaking day. It's really mind-boggling stuff that we're witnessing here. It's not normal. No. But I'm happy to be able to witness it with you all. It feels like a privilege, at least, to be able to watch this and enjoy it and meme together, you know? We're all in the same type of boat. A really sad one, at best, but I guess it's a boat, at least. Crypto. You got to know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Let's see. Altcoins coming back down again. Yeah, that's again, you should always be careful with these types. You can see it here already. For example, we got like 3 little green ones before a bigger red spike. You know, it could be a fake. However, in this case here, the wick was a lot shorter. So here, it's a little bit more usual. Here, it could still be done. I'm not going to say we're not going to dump further. I am saying, however, that I'm buying my weight down. I'm just buying every time it goes back lower and just picking some back up, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. We're going to look for some news in just a second. Let me grab a little water. Oh, I have it here. I have some water here on the side. Let me grab it. There we go. We have to go check for some extra news. To see what's going on right now in the crypto motherfreaking space. You got to know, pump it up. My neighbors must hate me in this hotel room, by the way. I think they really despise me just screaming the whole time. I haven't even thought about that one. They just hate me. Full hatred. People are asking me sell or buy. I buy. I buy crypto every single time we dip lower. And we'll see what happens, you know. At least I'm buying coins which are good and I know I can hold for a longer time. I'm not buying any shit coins right now. I'm buying bigger coins. That's my personal strategy. Don't buy any coin right now. Buy the coins which you know will last. That's basically the safest bet. Let's put it like that. That's the safest strategy you could go for. Got to know, pump it up. Someone's saying about the dip. I think a lot of us are buying the dip right now, guys. I think a lot of people are buying the dip right freaking now. Right now. Because why not, right? It's like, it's worth the risk, in my opinion. It's already a discount from if you bought last week. So that's also how I like to think about it sometimes. It's like, well, if you bought last week, you'd have had an even higher price. So, I mean. Yeah, even now, somebody's tagging me over on Twitter, Fabian, says, XRP to USDT trading suspended over on Binance. Oh, that's the XRP up future. So a lot of things are moving in a kind of a shady fashion right now. But can you guys actually confirm on Binance, is only XRP up, down, or is also XRP down, down? If you know what I mean. So can you also bet that these cryptos are going up or no? Or are just all futures down right now? I'm just checking on my phone real quick, but I can't open Binance here. Haven't sold a single coin. I hope I made the right decision, says Junk Luca. Let's see. Somebody else says, this just shows China controls Bitcoin. Ben says, XRP $5, keep dreaming for the next 10 years. What a hatred, huh? What a hatred. People just being sad, I guess. Whatever, man. Bought the dip, baby. Joe says, I need to buy a PC. This mobile stuff is not good. Let's see if we will carry on with the cycle or if we're going to finish alt season. Yeah, we got a juicy little dip right there, though. $30,000 per Bitcoin. It's crazy. Did you guys actually see, by the way, that XRP overtook BNB earlier this morning? I'm not actually sure if they're still above there, to be honest with you, but it did flip it earlier this morning. Yeah, actually right now even, XRP is above Binance Coin, because Binance is at $340. To be honest with you, BNB and those types of coins are some of the scariest ones to buy. Well, wait a minute. Guys, check live CoinWatch right now. If you check, I will show it to you. Ow, I hit my foot. Let's see. I'll show it to you. Live CoinWatch. Look at the hourly here. That's looking beautiful. I like that. Hey guys, are you, by the way, excited for my face reveal as well? The at 150,000 subscribers. Some people said, man, you shouldn't do it. Some people said, man, you should. I'm thinking maybe I should just do I don't know. I'm thinking of still doing it, man. I'm still pretty excited about it. So I think we will. If you guys say really no, you shouldn't do it, Dusty, I might reconsider. But I talked to MM Crypto, talked to Da Vinci C19, and even Crypto R Us and Crypto Rover. I talked to anybody, and everybody says, man, you should just show your face. Now I'm in a predicament. Most people I know said you should do it. There's only one person who said you shouldn't. because of privacy. So, and it's only me who said, man, I should not do it. So it's scary. Do arm reveal. I just show. Yeah, man. Face reveal up to you. Yeah, man, we'll see. I can't even get into futures on Binance. I think it's down for most. It's above on CoinGecko as well. Yeah, man. Pat says, hey, mate, do you think Friday the 21st will have any effect on the price with the SEC? So, at least not obviously, but I'm going to try to do my best to get a live stream going from the hearing. So, once more, check back on the channel. I will give you updates regardless. I'm going to try. I just hope the internet works at that time, because I'm going to be able to talk in. I'm going to be able to call in. But in this hotel, the internet sometimes is so bad that I'm not sure if it's going to work. All right, but I'm going to try my best, of course. And so all I can say is I think that Ripple has a 50-50 shot of winning this little part because, the whole privilege argument, some lawyers have said before that, the SEC is being outrageous with most of the requests. So the judge is, of course, in Ripple's favor. However, this specific request of getting some of Ripple's documents could be accepted because, well, the SEC is basically saying, hey, Ripple, you use some of those documents. By that nature, you have also forfeited your privilege right. So we want to see it in this courtroom. And I can also agree with that, saying, hey, yeah, if that's the truth, if Ripple utilized those documents, then I would say the SEC is going to be, granted, and then the SEC is going to get that doc. If the SEC is lying or misstating the facts, which could be true, I don't know about that. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know exactly how that works. Then I would say no. And so logically, the price is going to move into the direction of the party which is going to be, proven right. If we get a really positive verdict, then the price will most likely move up a little bit. And I'm actually expecting the price to move up until halfway throughout the hearing. That's actually what has happened in the last two hearings, I believe, that the price goes up while the hearing is happening and a little bit before that. But once at one point or another in the hearing, the price goes down because a lot of people get afraid. Now, I don't want to fudge you guys. I don't want you guys all acting the same way. But I am saying that's what happened the last two times, I believe. And so, watch it. However, if we get a verdict this time that's bullish for Ripple, it might just get a pretty big pump going that exact minute, So that could also be cool. I'm generally positive on Ripple/DXP lawsuit anyway, so I don't really care too much about any one of these smaller term things. It's about the bigger picture, right? And this is not going to cause for a partial settlement or anything like that. We have a SEC meeting, by the way, tomorrow. Little side note, we have that coming up tomorrow. Look at Matic, by the way. Have you guys seen that? Ethereum Classic and Matic. Look at that. They are juice. I need to deposit more USDT, man. I think it's not going to work. Let me see. Can I open my Binance on... I will go... let me quickly go open to a VPN. I'm going to put the VPN on my phone. I have it on the computer, but I don't have it on the phone here. Let me quickly go to VPN. There we go. Let's open up Binance. Oh, that was not smart. Now I have to log in again. On Binance. Oh, that was my bad. Okay, I can't buy. Oh, no. Let me see if I can log into bitrue. I want to buy more crypto, man. I have to. Look at this. I'm going to buy right now. I'm going to buy some more crypto. Give me a second. You know what? Screw it. I don't care. I'm gonna buy bitrue. Bitrue link down below, whatever. I'm going to see if I can log in right now. Screw everybody saying, I'm buying crypto right freaking now. I don't care. I don't care that we're dead. Whatever, man. screw that type of stuff. I'll just buy some. Let me quickly see. I am buying crypto right. I'll tell you guys exactly what I'm doing. Give me a second. Let me see. Oh, somebody's just texting me now. Crypto market corrective, huh? Yes, it is. Let me quickly see how much I got. I got 2,000 Tether here left. What are we going to buy? What are we going to buy? Let's quickly see some juice. Let's see what type of coins are at a good discount here. So I definitely want to buy some Matic. What's the price? It's already at 182. Okay, so I'm definitely not going to buy some Matic. Let's see. We got some. We can buy some BNB. Okay, that's okay. I'm just looking on bitrue here. What coins are looking juicy for me to buy? If you're wondering. So bitrue. Okay, I'm just looking. The ones that are down the worst are Kava, Hawk, High, Bake, Elon, Akita. I'm not going to buy any dog cryptos. Let me quickly see here. Let me see. I'll buy some VET. Yeah, I'll buy some VET. VET is at below 10 cents. VET crashed. Okay. Let me buy, let's see here. Let me buy 5,000 VET. Boo. Attention, the market order will depend on bid and ask. I do market order. I don't give a crap. Oh, bitrue had a big update. Okay, confirm. I know the risks. Give me 5,000 VET. There we go. I will buy, let me quickly see. I just bought 5,000 VET. Okay, okay. I will buy. Right now, let me quickly see. I got some, let me buy some DOT. Yeah, DOT is moving quickly. $24, that's good. Let me give me 17 DOT. Yes, I want 17 DOT. There we go. Yes, buy. Good. What else do we have? What else do we have? We have some Uniswap. You know what? Give me some Uniswap. Give me 10 Uniswap, just a couple. Yeah, sure. Why not? Oh no, never mind. No, Uniswap cannot buy. It is ridiculous. The order book is not liquid enough. Oh, some guy just wailed out on bitrue here. He ordered the entire order book full, so the price just went to $36 for a little second. Yeah, give me some Uniswap. I'll buy. Never mind. I'll buy 15 Uniswap. Give me 15 Uniswap. That's good. There we go. I have $700 left. Give me, let me see here. What else do I want to have? What else do I want to have? These are all down 40% and stuff, you know, so I don't really care. If I bought it yesterday, I would have been down 40% right now, so I'd rather buy some now than not. Give me some ADA. You know what? Give me some ADA. I'll buy, let me see here. I'll buy, should we do 10,000 ADA? Oh, this is the wrong one. I'm at IOST. ADA is the difficult one, of course. I'm like, huh? It's too much. Should we buy, let's do 100 ADA. Little side note, you know what, why not? No, let's do 150. I'm buying 150 ADA. There we go. By the way, you can't see because I'm logged in, so I'm not showing that. But I'm just telling you guys what exactly I'm doing here. Just buying some different coins. We made bitrue is working like a charm, guys. Okay, let me quickly see what else I'm buying here. Ethereum Classic. I guess I don't have any Ethereum Classic. Maybe I should just buy like one or so, like $60, 2, 3. You know what? I'll buy 2.5 Ethereum Classic. I already had 2.5. Never mind. I bought it here purely for that reason because I didn't have any. Okay, I bought 2.5 Ethereum Classic. I don't know how much that is. $150 or so. Whatever. Bought it. Boom. We got 5 Ethereum Classic in this portfolio now. Some Chainlink. I think we got Chainlink 2.0 coming up. That was a pretty big update, so I guess I got to get some Chainlink. How much do I do? I do 5 Chainlink, whatever. 5 Chainlink. There we go. Okay, buy. Oh, I'm so stupid in the head. Did I just... No, we're good. We're good. You see, this order book is really glitchy. So every time, it just looks like if you're going to buy something, that all of a sudden, look, basically the biggest order is, whatever. This order book is really buggy on bitrue right now because some people are buying some huge amounts. So every time it just kind of bugs out. And all of a sudden, there's only bigger orders at like $40 per link. So I was a little bit afraid that I was going to buy way more expensive than it needed to be. Not going to buy any Doge, not going to buy any... Maybe I should buy some Maker too. I've never bought any Maker in my life. Like 0.01 maybe. You know what, I'll play 0.01 Maker. Never bought that one before. Got some. Matic is still at $1.55. I think it's pretty expensive. Then again, I do like Matic though. You know what? We'll buy 50 Matic for the memes. 50 Matic. There we go. 50 Matic. Okay. Let's see what else we're going to buy. A little bit of AVA. Let's see what the AVA price is looking like right now. Where's AVA? Where's AVA? Where's AVA? AVA is down 30% at $450. Still pretty expensive. And you know what? We'll spend the... you know what? I'll buy 0.25 AVA, and then I'll keep the rest of my money. I have $100 left exactly. I'll get some more into there later, and I'll decide to buy more dips if we get the chance to. All right, so that was my buys for right now. This is exactly what I bought with my $2,000 worth. I didn't buy XRP because I already have my bags filled with XRP. I have big XRP bags, all right? Please, guys, don't think I'm skipping out on XRP. I have big XRP bags. I already buy XP all the freaking time, so don't worry about that. I'm good on the XP department. I want to buy some coins which I think are so juicy that I need more of, just basically. All right, I logged out now. We're good again. Bought some coins. How are you buying? Link. I'll show you the link. This is exactly what I used to buy all the time. Let's see here. I am buying on, what's it called now? bitrue. There we go. That's also what I earn interest on. Guys, don't think I'm joking with you, by the way. Why would I lie about this type of stuff? It's working. I'm not kidding. There's no joke. Here's the link. This is to bitrue. So, yeah, why did I buy it just now? Because I don't care. I wanted to first of all show you guys that, once more, I just buy the dip every single time. Right now, it's not even the perfect dip. We've already gone up quite a significant amount, but I don't care. I'll put another $2,000 in and we'll buy again once it gets lower. Maybe we'll put $4,000 in to buy extra, you know? It's all good. Yeah, bitrue had a pretty big update. It's really strange to see right now. But that's the one I just, you guys saw it, right? That's the one I just spent $2,000 to a couple of cryptos live with you guys. Which ones are you buying? Check the video back like a minute or 3 ago. I just told you exactly the coins and exactly how much I was buying with $2,000 worth. Just got more EOS, says Aeon. Not really a big EOS guy. You know, you might want to. Some people always say TRX, whatever. Do you hold BTT? Yes. I hold most cryptos that you guys know of. I'm just thinking here, what cryptos do I really need more of? And then I just bought some. How do you trade XRP? Well, define on what you want to do in terms of trading. Since I couldn't buy XRP, I hope XLM rebounds so fast that I could swap my XLM for XRP. To be honest with you guys, I always think it's smart to have more than one crypto. If you're only holding XRP, that's just, you know, it's not my preferred choice. It's just not, I don't think it's a smart thing to do. But I just bought some extra crypto. Just show you guys, again, I'm still with you. I'm still here. I'm still buying crypto. I'm still excited about it. I don't care. I don't worry. Nothing like that. You guys know it already. Rothboss29 coming in with a XRP gang. Rothboss is already missing you, man. Where were you? Gang, how's your morning, bro? It's actually 6:22 p.m. It's definitely not morning. So from that perspective, it's going well, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what to say because it's very far from morning. But all right. Let's just hope things bounce back from here, huh? Dusty, why can't I buy Doge? I'm not sure, man. Yeah, Roth, I get this morning for you. I think a lot of Americans aren't even seeing this just quite yet because, again, it's pretty early over there. Looks like it's going to crash. You know what? If we do, we'll buy more. That's the way I go about it. Americans woke up to a 30% jump in the market. What's going on? Yeah, that's pretty funny. We all woke up to really... You're right about that one. I guess it's actually... I'm not just sure which one you meant, but it's like two parts. It's like, we all woke up to some heavy XRP and extra crypto dump. And they wake up as like, oh, crypto dump, but we're going back up now quite significantly. Okay. That's pretty funny. I like that. GG coming with the $5. Thank you very much for the support, my brother. There's actually a ton of ways to buy XRP right now, and almost always there's going to be a lot of ways to buy it. It just depends as well on what country you're from and everything like that. But the narrative is well, it's mostly just China and people reacting to that together with Elon Musk FUD and everything just kind of adding on top of each other. I see Instagram is filled now with people saying, let's see here. Entire crypto market is making a huge decline because of Elon Musk and a ban in China. The ban in China is BS. People are making it such a big deal because others are making it. It's not bad. It's not a big deal. GG coming again with the $5. Thank you much for the support, my brother. Coming again. GG is crazy. What site do you use for price quotes on screen now? This is tradingview.com. TradingView. CMC is trash. Yeah, man. Coinbase was crashing earlier. Most exchanges have crashed today. Most exchanges could not handle the volume. Most exchanges had some sort of issues. So definitely. And guys, I've already told a couple of you, but I'll tell you guys again. Let me quickly share that link for you as well. So this thing, it's Bybit, right? This is the exchange I'm using for leverage trading. You know what the fun fact is, guys? You can actually, if you have some money, you know, you can actually get, how much is it? $2,610 for free on that platform by just depositing and doing some stuff. You'll see. Go check it out. There's $2,600 worth that you can get for free. I've shared the link now. And I guess the coolest part there is that, well, it's literally free. And if you do times 50, for example, times 25 on that free trade, you can actually trade with $130,000 once more for completely free. People said, Dusty, why? It's free money. Yeah, that's all I have to say about it, I guess. That's the platform I'm using for the trading. If you're from the US, make sure you use a VPN. There's a link for that down below too. Right? I have a link for what's it now? For NordVPN. That's the one I use. Crypto Comics says, key is if you have money, these dips that fake small buyers out are messed up. Key is if you have money, these dips that fake small buyers are messed up. I'm not exactly sure what you mean with that, my brother. Can't use Bybit in California. I mean, you can always use a VPN if you want to. I mean, not gonna lie, it's not that difficult. But again, make sure you are cautious. Bybit doesn't ban anybody, but it might be annoying for you to actually, you know, show your tax stuff. If I'm not sure exactly how that's supposed to work, so I'm not going to comment on that. There's no KYC. There's no know your customer. You don't have to send your ID, and they will not ban your account even if you accidentally log in from the US or if they find out you're from the US. So I'm not, you know, that's not a big worry. They will only ban your IP in the US, so you're gonna have to use a VPN the next time. But that's not a really big deal. GG coming in again with the $5. GG is on a roll right now. GG, bro. GG. And yeah, do you have to use Bybit? No. I'm just saying I am using it, and there's freaking a ton of bonuses that you can get for free. So it might be worth it to check it out. Every big YouTuber out there is using that. Every big YouTuber is talking about it. I would say it's one of the biggest exchanges right now as well. You can see it here as well. It will almost always be in one of the top spots here because it's really freaking huge, right? Bybit. A lot of people are using that one, and I use it as well. So, yeah. What a crazy day it has been, man. What a crazy freaking day. Bought the dip. A lot of people are texting me now that they're buying the dip as well. Hey, let's quickly check it out in the chat box here. Who is buying the freaking XRP dip right now? Just the crypto dip in general. Let's quickly see. Guys, we are... Holy smokes! We are again once on my screen, by the way. I think it's bugging maybe because this is too fast. We are one subscriber away from getting to 118,000 again. How is this so fast? We are one subscriber away for 118,000. Let me know if you're the 118,000 subscriber right now. I would check. I think I could check that, right? I'm gonna quickly check. Who's the 118,000 subscriber? Let me see. For me, it's saying. No, it's still stuck at 117,999. Let me see. You know what? Actually, maybe it's... No, it's still stuck. I'm refreshing like crazy. Usually it updates in real time. Maybe nobody subbed yet? You guys saying sub. I'm not seeing it, man. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's a lot of people actually just, you know, pressing the sub and unsub button. That stuff kind of messes it up. Not sure about that. Can't sub again. All right, you know what? I'm gonna CZ tweeted. Let me quickly check that out. That goes before everything else. Let's check out what CZ said. CZ is the owner of Binance and CoinMarketCap. So we definitely want to see what he has to say. Let's quickly see. He said nothing. He tweeted 6 hours ago. He tweeted for the last time 5 hours. You're lying to me, bro. 5 hours ago is the last time he tweeted out something. So it's nothing new. Haha. He did say, glad BNB is third. Ha. I like that. I like that. Because XRP is third. So, let's see. Maybe Binance tweeted something out? Maybe that's what you mean? Binance had one tweet in the last hour. Binance tweeted, Ethereum and ERC20 withdrawals are temporarily disabled due to network. Notice of temporary Binance leverage token maintenance. What a coincidental maintenance, huh? This is the BS that we have to deal with on a regular basis right now with Binance. Come on, this type of stuff is dumb as a motherfreaker, man. They go down at a crucial moment like this. What is that BS? This is one of the stupidest things I've seen in a good while, man. It's doesn't make any sense. But yeah, conclusion, by the way, guys, we are still extremely bullish on crypto. Whatever. We're still extremely bullish, and I'm not worried for a single freaking second. Not a single second. If people are worried, let them be. Let them be, let them be, let them be. We will stay exactly how we are staying right now. Extremely freaking strong. Weak hands, I don't know about that. I have strong freaking hands. A lot of people can't buy right now, which is most likely causing some of this stuff to actually unfold in a negative way. But in the end, it's not going to matter too much. It's all a short-term type of ordeal. Longer term, it doesn't actually matter. And we all know the upside is going to be way greater than the downside, which we are facing right now. That is for 100% certain. Natisha Grineag coming in with a $1 Canadian. Thank you very much for the support. Somebody just bought Internet Computer Polygon. You know, there's actually a lot of different altcoins which are pretty juicy to buy right now. I would say, I'm going back to the setup here. Let me quickly put it on the microphone. We can actually take a look at the XRP and whatnot. So as it currently stands, a lot of coins are dipping, right? We just bought the dip. Why? Because, well, for Bitcoin, we're getting very close to the 50 MA. A lot of things are actually dipping right now. Again, just literally as they are dipping. However, since the news is based upon nothing, Bitcoin is showing it. Almost any coin is showing it. We've gone down to an RSI so ridiculously low. We've not seen that in so long. Let me actually show you guys. Again, am I typing it in? Can I type in RSI? What this basically means is right now the strength index is showing. Oh, I already put in one. There's another one. There's the close. Okay, I put in. I already have one in. Whatever. Let's do this one, just the normal one. I guess even though that line is easier, RSI on the weekly for Bitcoin is coming back down like crazy. It's coming down like crazy. But on a kind of a smaller perspective, even the daily and hourly, whatever, all the type of stuff, it is so ridiculously low right now. I keep telling people, times like these are the best to pick up some crypto. You might say, Dusty, but here the RSI was low as well. If you bought this dip, you could have had some easy profit as well. Right here, we're seeing the exact same thing. Most altcoins are in the same type of predicament right now where we are waiting for this close, which is going to happen in about 30 minutes or so. If this one is green, you already know we're looking really beautiful. We're looking really beautiful because things are coming back up. We are recovering. If things are ending in red, it still doesn't actually mean anything negative necessarily, because I kept telling you this news is based upon thin air, thin air, thin air, thin air. People right now are selling it off because others are. They are afraid. That does not mean it's fundamentally based upon anything. And I do still think, guys, I still think we're going to get some huge pump happening at one point or another here as we get a recovery. Even though XRP is already up like 40 or so % in this very short amount of time, we can actually get a lot further here. Cardano is coming back up already. How much? I'm not even sure. I have to get a shift key going here. Let me quickly see if I can easily shift these things. Cardano is already up about freaking, holy smokes, 2 hours, 50% up or so on Cardano. That's not the only crypto, obviously. There's so many cryptos right now which are up like crazy. Here's the entire altcoin market. So if you bought any altcoin in general, let's quickly check it out. How much you would have been up. The altcoin market in general is up right now about 20% at maximum, already about 25% or so. Guys, the dip was already there. If you didn't buy that one, okay, it's all fine. Look for another opportunity. My opinion on the matter. Crypto is not dead. Crypto is not going anywhere. Crypto is still going to the freaking moon, and we buy like crazy. We are careful for another short-term dip, really short-term here, but that's because there's manipulation going on. You can see the exchange is not letting you buy. Once they let everything loose again, I think a lot of people are picking this back up, and a lot of people, once we are back at the top again, will complain, oh, I wish I could have bought more, I wish I could have bought more. Unless you are thinking this entire run is over, we're going to zero. If that's not your thought, then there's nothing to worry about here. We are still looking extremely bullish right now, and that's all I can say about it. We are still looking extremely bullish. I'm extremely excited, and I know. It's looking beautiful. Guys, that was it for today's episode. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. The reason I'm ending it off here is because we are having to wait right now. There's no more news. I just checked everything. There's no new news coming out. Let's wait, and we'll see. Gigi says, has XP been halted? Is the reset almost here? Will the bond market be the final stage of the collapse? Gigi, it's a very good question, actually. I didn't even see that you put that question up there. All I can say about the whole situation right now is, man, it's a shit show. Let's wait for this to unfold. Of course, there could be a little bit of an extra dump happening because people are fearing on top of each other. But logically, people should be picking back up this dip right now and get a huge rebound going. Guys, if you aren't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. We should be at 118,000 people strong. I want to thank every single one of you for stopping by. And I will stream later tonight if there's something crazy happening. But I'll surely stream once the Ripple hearing is, right? So once Ripple goes into a hearing with the SEC, I will definitely stream, and you guys, I'll be there. So don't worry about it. And also, once more, so much thank you for coming up here. Maybe we'll go again live tonight and just see what's going on. All right, looking a little bit at all these coins because it's been crazy. But yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. That was it for today's stream. People were asking, Big Dump, any recovery possibility? Yes, 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 there is. Make sure you press the freaking subscribe button if you haven't done so, man. Whew! What a day. What a day, guys. Whew, whew. What a day. Don't even know what else to say there. It's just been a crazy day. Stop playing with your hands made in China. Yes, with those little small paper hands. Matic was pumping while the rest of the cryptos were dumping. Be careful. True. Strong hands, XRP army. Yes. Reminds me of Nam. Okay. Been a stressful day. I get that. I get that. I get that. But you all know, guys, in the end, it's all part of the bigger picture. It's all part of the big picture. Thank you all for watching so much. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And there's another live giveaway coming up later today too, by the way.